doing here?
I came to see you. I came to see you.
I told you I would come to your side now. What are you doing here?
I couldn't wait. I said, let me come. My tomato juice.
Father is at home.
Huh? Your father is at home. Jesus.
Papa! I'm Betty.
Oh, which kind of Betty? Look. Yeah, Betty, I want to have my bath, eh? I want to go to somewhere. Now, Betty, somebody with a fellow headquarters. What are you? Oh.
Papa, I'm coming. I'm Betty.
Be fast. Can I come in? Can you come inside?
My father will see you. What you can't. You want to put me into trouble.
I cannot put you into trouble.
You can now. Just go. I said
I can't see the other bucket. Where did you keep it? I want to have my bath.
Papa, it's at the backyard.
No, but I'll check now. It's not there.
Papa, it's there. Just check again. It's there.
Be fast. I want to use this one you are using now. You look, your headquarters is still very fallow. You don't need to do much work there. Be fast.
Papa, I'm coming.
One girl like you that I don't know anything. You're washing.
Do you want to put me into trouble?
I don't want to put you into trouble. You know, serious. Eh? Wait, let me check. He has gone.
Maduka, you have to go. Maduka, you have to go. If my father sees you here, he is going to have my neck. You cannot be here. Go. I promise I will come see you later.
I've been waiting for you.
What is this? Why did you stop the bike?
Auntie, I'm sorry. I don't know what happened, but please, can you come down? Let me check it, please. Please, I'm begging.
Please be fast about it.
What kind of betting is this now? I'm not even hearing the sound of water again. Please give me, I want to bet. Give me the bucket.
Papa, I'm done.
Hey, you're done. Give me now.
You can have it, Papa.
Done. This is small girl like you are washing. What are you washing? Women, you want to bet forever. And you in particular, you are still a very young girl. That side is still fallow.
What is the meaning of this? Is this how you work?
I'm sorry, I'm coming. After I'm not joking here. And you're with umbrella. Please, just hold on.
Excuse me. What did I just hear you say?
I said I am busy. And you're with umbrella. Just relax and calm down. Let me find out after I'm not the one that spoiled the bike.
You must be very stupid. You are useless. Is something wrong with you? How dare you speak to me in that manner?
Now they talk to another person. Come. Don't let me change up for you. After I'm not joking here. Who knows if you're the one that spoiled the bike?
Did I hear you say you will change it for me? Did you just say that? Look at me.
Hey, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. I'm sorry, please. Hey, this bike.
Leave your bike. Pick up my box.
Yes, ma'am.
And follow me.
I can even go.
Shut up. You don't speak until I ask you to.
Yes, ma'am.
Move.
I can even find you.
Shut up.
Should I carry you at the back? can't you kiss me?
Kiss you what? Don't make me change my mind though. Maduka, you have to leave. Do you want to put me into trouble?
I will not put you into trouble. I will not put you into trouble. Maduka! Adora! Maduka! Wait! Well! Wait!
Hey! Maduka, I want you. See what Maduka has done now.
You die today! Maduka! You are running, eh? You will die today!
Mommy, yo! Thank you. Mama! Eh? See how beautiful you're looking.
Thank you. Now look at you. Now I hope you brought us things.
Of course! I have them. They're in the car. You don't trust me? But Mama, the way you are looking at her, it's like you don't remember her. This is Ugoma now.
Of course I know her.
Mazi Okegbu's daughter.
I know her.
Hey.
You know her live from the city.
Not really. Don't worry, I will explain all that. Get the things in the car.
Okay, brother.
Sweetheart, just let me open the car for her. No, hey, from that side.
Come back, you will die! Come back!
Brother, what is it now?
Open this door! Maduka will pull you! You die today! If I don't kill you today! Come back!
What is it now? Why are you chasing my brother?
Where's your mother?
Mama!
Where's your mother? Tell her to come out! I will kill Maduka today!
What is it? Okay, get it on.
Don't detain me! Don't detain me! Go inside there and bring out your son. I will kill him today. He will have to tell me. He will tell me what he was doing with my daughter in the bathroom. He was inside the bathroom, looking at the headquarters of my daughter's local government. If I don't go soon,
Wait. Inside the bathroom. For what?
No, not bathroom. Inside my bedroom. I'm telling you, bathroom. If I don't kill him today, your mother, you are sonless. You are a sonless widow. I will kill him today.
Just come.
Look at it.
Hey!
He will die today. Yano, come outside. Go now.
Just calm down now.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, calm down. Oh, don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Yeah, I'm not coming down. Now, the whole of this village will say how I slaughter your son. I will kill Ogununo. You will become a mother, a soulless widow today. Come out, though.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalata. Kasala don't chop a concrete, jabalata. Aqua pretty for Benty, jabalata.
Who's home? Sister, welcome. Okay, bring the bag.
Don't touch that bag. I will use him to set an example in this village.
What did he do?
How are you?
Fine.
And where is Mama?
She's inside. Okay, she's here.
Don't touch me. You can do that when you have your bath.
So I should not hug you. After so many years I've not seen you with my eyes.
I didn't mean it that way. How are you?
I'm fine. Why is this man standing there like this? Carrying your bag?
Don't touch the bag, Mama. You choose to insult me. I will deal with you. You will stand there till nightfall.
What?
Yes, ma.
What did he do?
You want to marry her?
Yes.
Marry, like marry.
Yes. As a matter of fact, we live together in the city. You know.
You live in the city with her?
Mama, yes. So we just decided to come back home so we can make it official. And that's why we are here. Right, baby? What is Huh?
Mama, it will be my pleasure to be your daughter-in-law. It's going to make me so happy.
Yeah.
Okay. You go and drop her. Or is she already a daughter-in-law living with us?
Mama, I will drop her. I just want us to just rest a bit. Huh?
Can I get water?
Say she wants chilled water. I mean, call it some. Go and get chilled water.
Brother, all the water in this house, all of them, they are very hot. It be like say them boil them for fire. Hot fire like this.
I say go and get chilled water. Which one is?
You're not there. We don't have.
Baby, it's okay. It's fine.
It's fine. No, you must drink chilled water. Maybe when I'm dropping you off, we'll get chilled water. You will drink chilled water. It's fine. So no chilled water in this house.
Can we go, please?
What will you gain if you kill him? See, two of them have been in love for a very long time now, and you know that.
And did I approve it? Did I approve it? Eh? Who is he? Can he take off my daughter? Look at you. Can you be my in-law?
For what?
Eh? What has he got that will make him? Can he take off my daughter? In fact, I will butcher him today. As for my daughter, oh, she's dead already. I'm one daughter less like you, who is a sonless widow. Hey.
You know both of them love each other.
Damn it, Jonu! What do you know about love? A small rat like you are still talking about love. Oh. You see, I can see that your local government, the headquarters is no longer followed. You are spoiled.
Papa.
You see?
Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, I'm sorry.
So you came back to find out whether I have removed his head, eh? Okay. I will kill you first before him. But for your own special preparation, just wait.
Papa, I'm sorry. I love him. I'm sorry.
Yes, Ichie, we are in love. We are in love. If you want to kill me, kill me. I'm here. Urenwa, did you hear your son? He's telling me that if I want to kill him, I should kill him. Okay, now die.
Papa, please. Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, please. If you have to kill him, you have to kill me first. Kill your own. I'm your child. Kill me.
It's a lie. You cannot kill your own, no. Kill somebody's own. Kill somebody's own first. I should kill him. Don't worry, your own is specially prepared. It's specially prepared.
After this year, they'll get mad.
If you want to kill me, kill me. Don't kill your own daughter.
No, you are
still talking.
No, in fact, you will kill me. Kill me. You will not kill my son, kill me.
Don't worry.
No, kill me.
For you.
You will not kill your daughter. And two of them will enjoy the whole nonsense in that bathroom. You will not kill your daughter. It's my son you will kill.
Mama, leave me. Let him
kill me.
Don't worry. I will come back for his head. For you, let's go and make preparation for your killing. Oh yeah, move. Move! You will not kill her! You will not kill her! Come and kill me first! Mama, allow me to die! Allow him to kill me!
Mama, leave him!
Let him kill me! Mama, he cannot kill my lover! Come back and kill me!
Nem. Ada, hearing one. Please, have pity on him.
Sister, please. He will faint, oh.
Keep quiet. I didn't ask for your opinion. He can faint for all I care. He's a very stupid man.
Yes, ma.
Count yourself lucky this time. Because next time I will send you straight to hellfire.
Okay, ma.
Oluchi, take the bag from him. Take it inside and keep it clean.
Okay, sister. Oga, give me the bag.
Nah, you can go. You can go.
Watch your words, woman. You weren't the one who asked him to stand here, were you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ada. I'm sorry, ma'am.
You may leave.
Thank you.
Fool.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
get lost.
Yes, thank you.
My daughter, what happened? How did you manage to keep him like this?
Worry about your worries. I think I need water to drink.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalada. Kasala don't chop concrete, jabalada. Aqua pretty for benty, jabalada. Mama me water, jabalada. Ochaka maka. Otobe bumunu one on the corner, beer, jabalada. Obu kwakunanya.
Nobody's here.
Papa!
Maybe...
Papa!
Maybe they're around. Let's just sit and wait.
Where did they go without locking the house?
I'm sure they're very close by.
Move! 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 Idiot! Rubbish!
Papa.
How are you?
Papa. What is it, Papa?
Ugonwa, you're welcome. When did you come?
Papa, we just arrived. Papa, what is it? Why are you looking like this?
Abel, don't worry. Don't mind this fool. In fact, I am here to prepare her killing. But don't worry, we'll discuss that later. Idiot.
Welcome, Papa.
Jonas, how are you?
Very fine, sir.
Hey, is this one a new one or?
It's another one, but it's not usually like that.
Another one? Oh.
Welcome.
So.
Oh, you look quiet. Come on, go inside. I don't even have the time now. Inside. Oh, always giving Papa stress. Papa, it's okay.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa. But Papa, I hope all is well.
How can all be well? Huh? This useless girl wants to kill me. But anyway, let me not bore you with that. Okay? Go and find something for him now. You're welcome. Hey. What happened to me? What did that girl do to me? Hey, Oji, Kwagwo. Hi. And she didn't even give me money. Hi, I said it. Let that girl try me next time. Let her try me next time. Oh. Let me see. She might be the one that caused this problem. I said it.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalada. Kasala don't chop concrete, jabalada. Aqua pretty for benty, jabalada. Mama me water, jabalada.
Mama did not do anything bad. If he wants to kill me, let him kill me. I love his daughter. Obaro.
Hey! Ubura kunne me nokwa. Hey! Ekwensu nekwa ofom. Singing nekwa ofom. Madoka, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ashamed of what, Mama? Eh? Is brother not old enough?
God must bless you.
Old enough or man enough to enter battle with a girl that is in her father's house. Can you they laughing in her? Or would they laughing again?
Eh, that one is true. But that you didn't do well. How could you enter the bathroom with her?
Why wouldn't I enter bathroom with her? Eh? Why wouldn't I enter bathroom with her? Is this not the girl I love? I've been trying to marry this girl. This man refused. Has been chasing me up and down as if I'm a unwanted pregnancy. What is all this thing? You see that girl, I must marry her. I love her. You love her. Okay, why you pushing me up and down? Did I? Yeah. What is it?
I can't know what is it.
Mama, I go.
Okay. No,
Here.
Mama.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
Hey! Oh, you see, all the anger that congealed inside me, because of that my stupid daughter, you just evaporated everything. You see, in fact, this is the best news I've ever heard this year.
Thank God. You know, whatever is worth doing is worth doing well. And what is good is good. So,
hey. You just took me back memory lane. Your late father. What a good man. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't really mean to.
No. It's fine. It's fine.
Ugonwa.
Yes, Papa.
Adam. Oh, thank you for making me proud. At least now, I know I have a daughter. A good one at that.
It's okay, Papa. Don't worry yourself. I and my baby have decided to make you proud. Very proud. You can do anything you want in this village. Money is not a problem.
No, Papa, she's right. Money is not the issue here. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking of coming tomorrow to make everything official.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Hey! Guess what? Okay, my son, your friend, is coming tomorrow.
Oh, perfect.
He will be happy the way I am happy.
Of course.
Oh,
thank you. Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa, at this point I will be on my way. Yes. But I won't go like that. You know, I noticed that when I came, your mood was somehow. Let me see if I can light up your mood.
Papa, you're smiling already.
Oh, I won't smile. Okay, Papa, hold on to this one.
You see? You see? All this for me?
Yes, Papa.
Hey, you see what I mean?
Now you're smiling.
They will say, Ukegbu is a bad man. Ukegbu, he shouts too much. If I have people like you giving me money like this, will I shout? Will I be a bad man? It's good to have a good son-in-law. It will be well with you. The road will not remember you when it is hungry. You will buy more cars. Hey. Hey. What is that? God, what have I done?
Mama, this is a lie, yo. This is a lie, yo. This is a lie, yo. This is a lie. I did not impregnate her. Akonna, if before I close my eyes and open it, I want you to develop wings and fly away from this house.
Brother, how could you do this? How could you?
Could do what? So any girl will come from any kindred and fly into this house like a witch to tell you people that I impregnated her and you people accept it. Okay, see me?
But you both were dating. I'm sure about that one.
Oh, we are dating and so?
Thank you.
And so, listen, let me tell you, if you don't know what to say, you shut up before I use heavy slap to shut it for you. And Ayala. Hey! Akonna, get out from here. Leave this house now.
You lie. Maduka, you lie. I am not going anywhere. I am here to stay, Maduka. You must marry me. Rubbish.
Did I hear you say I must marry you?
Yes, so.
By forced marriage?
You heard me. Yes. You must marry me.
Akonna, get out. Ona, leave this house now.
You lie. I am not going anywhere. Asiota, I am not going anywhere at all. You must marry me, oh. Iga, no, you must marry me. Rubbish.
So by forced marriage?
My name is Sipagri. I am not going anywhere.
You mean what you're telling me?
Yes, so
My daughter, it is not a small thing. Iche Ukebu took away that land from me. Till today, people see me as a bad person in this village.
Sister, people in this village see Mama as a witch. Do you know they even call her a witch? And yet there is nothing she can do about it.
Is that so? Anyway, I am back. And I know exactly what to do. All you need to do, Mama, is go in and rest.
What? Rest?
Exactly what I said. Rest. I will take it up from here. After all, the time has come.
Sister, we don't understand you.
I wasn't speaking for you to understand anything I was saying. Go into the room, open up my bag, get me the biscuits, sweets, and the bottle of Fanta in there. Quickly.
I see you cooking on my slippers.
Mama, I don't get it. Huh? What are you trying to say?
Jonas, get it. You better get it. You are not going to marry that girl. Ukebu is a bad man. Everybody can attest to it in this village. And he's not the kind of man you should have as a father-in-law.
I don't even understand you. Am I a stranger in this village? I know that already now.
Brother, Mama is right. That man is an enemy to almost all the villagers. He's so proud and arrogant.
I don't have a problem with that. I already know. Like I said, I am not a stranger in this village. I know him. But when you are condemning the man, what about the children? Okay, we'll talk about okay. Is he not a nice guy? The son?
Akoko, I have made my point. You are not going to marry that girl. Except if you don't want us to have peace in this house.
Mama.
Don't marry her.
Mama, I am sorry to inform you that is too late. Someone I've already proposed to. You're telling me I will not marry.
The propose her.
How?
The propose her.
How? I'm just doing all this because I want to make it official. My plan is to come back home, pay the dowry, and then we move on. What is all this you people are saying? Eh? Don't forget I'm not getting married to the man. It's the daughter I want to get married to. So what is the problem?
Mama, did I not tell you? I told you that your stubborn son will not heed your advice. I told you.
If I flip your neck, are you stupid? Are you referring to me as a stubborn son? Are you mad? Are you normal? What talk you are putting in your mouth? What do you know about love? What do you know about marriage?
Jonas.
You are mad.
Listen to Mama now. Listen.
Mama will marry her.
Unplan everything.
Let's just discuss now. Let's plan how we are doing this thing, the diary, everything, collect list. Let's just make everything sharp.
This propose. I don't want to hear.
Mama, don't agree.
You don't have to worry yourself. No? Okay. Ha. I am Mama Madoka. I am his mother. Oh, I cannot sit here and watch you suffer with the child you are carrying. My grandchild. If you ever head up, go. Thank
you very much, Mama. Mama, God will bless you.
You are thanking her. You are thanking Mama, and you are telling God to bless Mama. Let me tell you, you are going to leave this place. Mama, mind what you are doing, Mama. Mama, mind what you are doing, Mama. I know why I'm saying it too. I have a girl I want to marry. Adora is the woman after my heart, and she's the one I love. I will not marry you. Better leave.
Okay.
Madoka, you have no choice. God has answered my prayers.
What are we even saying?
What
are we even saying? Madoka, are you not ashamed of yourself? So you knew you were dating Adora, and you came to beg me. You were begging me, Nasim Kedroto. The cap, only the cap. You were begging me. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Listen to me, Madoka. My people has chased me out of the house. And as I am here, Madoka, as I am here, you're going to marry me. I am not going anywhere. My name is Super Glue, Madoka. The high time you know about it, the better for you.
So you are talking with God. So you have God. You are talking to me in my own house with God. Mama, you are the one that gave her that God to. You are the one that sold the God to her. Let me tell you. Anyway, no problem. You have come. Welcome to the home of hunger. Yes! Welcome to the home of hunger. By the time hunger bend your neck at the back like meningitis, you will fly to your family. Let's bet it. Mama, stay. Mama, let her stay.
I am here.
Stay.
I am
you will
here.
See.
Useless boy. I am
Mama. Mama. How many times? 3 times. Mama. I will not marry her. If I marry you, let my leg bend to the back.
It will bend though.
Your leg is not even straight.
It's even bending already.
Rubbish.
Your leg is bending already. Madoka, you will go back and meet your responsibility.
Of course.
Go and come.
Of course, he has no choice. I am here to stay. Spaglu is my name. This is my house, my new home. Madoka,
Mama, what is it? Sister, what happened to her? Mama?
I don't know. Take her inside.
Sister, but she was not like this when I entered the house.
I said I do not know. If you want to continue living with me in this house, you do exactly as I say. Else I will use a gag on you. Take her inside.
Mama, can you stand? Can you stand up, please? You, Adora. Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
Ask her. In fact, if not for Jonas that came to make me happy today, what I would have done to her and that stupid Maduka, any ear that hears it will switch off. In fact, my daughter, I already deducted her. If not for the benevolent intervention of Jonas, I already lost a daughter.
Shame on you. Shame on you, Adora! Shame on you! You don't have any respect for yourself. What were you doing with that boy in the bathroom? Of all places, bathroom! Hey! Are you that looker?
Hey, sister. He was the one that came there. I swear, we didn't do anything.
Oh, shut up! Shut up before I was you slap now. If I stand you, you will lose your brain. You have the guts, you still have mouth to talk. He came to the bathroom. Look at you! When I was in this village, did you see me mess myself up? Did you see me doing anything with any small boy in this village? No, you didn't. And that is why I'm ending up marrying a rich guy from the city. Jonas.
You see?
Jonas? Is this the kind of life you want to live? No, tell me, is it what you want for yourself? I mean, who does that?
My daughter, don't worry. Tomorrow, OK is coming. When OK comes, Maduka will see his match. In fact, he will meet his match.
Hey, Papa, it's not fair. Oh. Papa, what is it now? We love each other.
Shut up, come on, keep quiet. Love, what do you know about love? What do you know about love that you're talking love? You love each other. Papa, can you imagine? Look at this girl, smoking of this thing. Love. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Papa, please forgive her. I know what to do with her. You have to forgive her. But I promise you, once I get married to Jonas, I'm bundling her to the city with me. Let me see how those useless boys will step their foot in the city or come to this house.
God will bless you. God will bless you, my daughter. Please do that for me. Do that for me. Let me see how that stupid Maduka will carry his 2 left legs and come here that he's looking for Adora. he will see empty space. Take her to the city. You idiot. You small girl like you. Thinking you are still innocent. Hey. Maduka. I will kill you. Okay. Not do it. I'm just happy because of this thing that Jonas did for you.
So what are you saying? What I'm saying is that I'm not happy with you. Eh? You are my senior. I don't have to be the one giving you advice. How could you take him for my brother when you know he's still finding his feet financially? How could you?
Hey!
I'm not happy with you.
Nekwananya. No, wait. I want to understand. Like, you're blaming me. You're blaming me. Am I the one that had sex with myself and got pregnant? Eh? When I was asking him to use protection, he refused. Now I say, Kandoloto, so he did not know. And this is the result. He has to cater for it now.
Why can't you protect yourself? Why can't you protect yourself? Eh? Okay, now that I'm expecting small money to go and do my school works, he will not channel it to you and your baby. I say, it will not be possible. It will not. See, Akuna, I am talking to you as a woman. I am not happy with you.
Enough, Uche. Enough, because if you continue like this, I will have issues with you in this house.
Hey! You have issues with me.
Wham!
In my own house.
Yes.
Akuna, bring it on. I'll give it to you.
Don't try me, oh.
Bring it on.
Don't try me, oh. You know I'm pregnant.
Why can't you protect
I'm pregnant, and you know how pregnant women behave.
For you.
You know how pregnant women. We always get angry easily.
We get angry easily. Have you turned my house into a marketplace?
I'm pregnant.
Hey,
the money he will give me.
I am pregnant, oh. Mama, she's stressing me. This girl is stressing me. And the man had me, the baby is even kicking.
Hey!
No.
Bia. Uchenna.
Mama, she's stressing me.
What are you doing? Eh? Listen, no, let me warn you. Please, don't joke with my grandchild. Enania, ejikwana nwa no na afa gusa me egu o.
Tell her, Mama.
Biko. What are you at the email? She's carrying my grandchild.
Mama, leave me.
Shut up.
He's kicking.
What is it? Taking after why? Are we at the marketplace? Yeah.
Hey, Mama.
Sorry, though.
Thank you.
This is your food.
Mama Mo. Hey, as you will know. Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Seafood.
To drink what?
Also. Be fast.
You are busy what?
Hey.
Let me get water.
Hey.
Thank you very much, Mama.
1 minute.
Peter, you see now, welcome. My head is busting. My head is busting. This is very serious.
Why will she be? Why will that girl be so stupid like that?
Ask me. Eh? Why would she be so stupid? Eh? Now she's about to spoil my she want to stop me from entering my destination with her daughter.
Maduka, she has to leave the house. Send her back to her father's house. What is the meaning of that now? Don't let her intimidate you with pregnancy. Oh. Don't allow it.
Me? You don't know me again. Hey, you talk as if you don't know me again. If my mother likes, let her welcome her Akuna to that house. It's not my business. If she likes, let her stay there. By the time I stop giving them money in that house, hunger will send her back to her grandmother.
Yes.
Back to her father, in fact.
Yes now. No one in this present time will force a man to marry a girl that he doesn't want to get married to. Who does that? Pregnancy or not? Eh? Guy, if na me, I go send her come up for that house. What is all that? And she has to leave.
Hey. That is why I am high up. This time I'm drinking. By the time I get high, and get back to that house, oh, God help Akuna. Akuna will deal with you.
She has to go. She has to go.
Hey, can you imagine?
Maduka, Maduka, you know that if Adora hears this, if she hears this, she will not allow you to enter her again.
That is the problem.
She will be angry with you.
I have not even entered before. You don't know? That is my problem now. Since how many months I have been pulling Adora up? We have been doing love. I love you. She only say I love you. I will die for you. This one. She will kiss me. I will touch her. But when it comes to entering Jerusalem, the gate will block.
Hey,
and that is my problem.
I was thinking you have entered.
Nah, lie. I have not. That gate, they lock it with iron key. This morning, I nearly succeeded when I entered her bathroom where she was bathing before her father came and catch us. I nearly succeeded. Now this one, maybe she came with pregnancy to spoil the whole thing. No. I will not take it.
No, she has to go.
Akonna, leave my house.
She has to go.
Wherever you are now, leave my house. Akonna, leave my house.
No, she has
Wherever
to go.
you are now, leave my house.
Hey!
Akonna, I'm singing it like a song. Akonna, leave my house. Wherever you are now, leave my house. Akonna, wherever you are now, leave my house. Akonna, I'm singing it like a song.
This is you again. How are you?
Mazi Adive.
Yes.
All go me the making. My future in-law.
In-law, Kwam. When did this one start?
My mom.
You better be.
Let it not be that I'm the one that is spilling the beans. Mazi Adive. If I remember correctly, you are in good talking relationship with Urewan's family. Because I know that your wife and Urewan, they are from the same village. Am I right?
You are very correct. Is there anything?
Good. Please, for the final time, go and help me warn Maduka, Urewan's son. Warn him to stay away from my daughter. Because if he doesn't stay away, the plan that I have in my head now, if I hash it tomorrow, people will say, Ukegbu is a bad man. Ukegbu is a bad man. Meanwhile, it is what they are doing to me that makes me to be a bad man.
Please, don't say this again.
What happened? Mazadibe, you won't believe what my eyes saw. My eyes saw my ears today. Okay. Honestly, could you believe that stupid Maduka boy went into the bathroom to go and meet my daughter?
Chineke.
Only God knows what they did. Whether he has gone to explore the headquarters of our local government, I don't know. And the most painful thing is that I was outside stupidly watching over them without knowing that the stupid boy was inside. I will kill him all.
Hey. Biko, I beg you, don't bother yourself. Let me see what I'm going to do to that effect. Hey, is that what this relationship of these children have gotten into?
What relationship are you talking about? I don't care. Warn him, warn him, because I'm not in support of any relationship.
Okay, I think I know what to do. Please don't worry. For now, let me just run to see my brother's son who came back from the city. On my way home, I will branch to see the mother and tell her something about this issue. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
I will appreciate that. Yes. And when you see your brother's son, he's going to tell you something. Don't let it be me that will spill the beans. You
really? What? This one you are smiling, so I do not understand. Man. You have come again. All right. I'm expecting the news. Let me go and see these children. They will not kill me. I hope something good has happened. For him to
Oluchi, under no circumstances must you mention what happened here to anyone today. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sister. But what if someone asks after Mama?
She's not feeling well for now.
But sister, I'm afraid. What did you do to her?
If you don't keep your mouth shut, what happened to her will happen to you. It's just sickness.
Hey! Hey, hey! Who am I saying? Yeri? Wow! You came back? Justina, welcome. Oh, Wanyoma, thank you. Yeri, I'm greeting you now.
You weren't greeting me. You were asking if I was back. Does this house look like the city to you?
Hey! What is it? Are we fighting?
We will, if you want us to. State your mission. What do you want?
Oh, wow. Well, I came to call your mother. My mother said I should call her. That the people who wants to sell it close to them are around.
She's not around. She is not coming.
She's not around? But she was in our place earlier this morning.
I just said she is not coming. Oluchi, go inside. She can stand here if she wants to. Move.
Hey! Yeah? What they say they've cured this girl her banjo already? Oh, wow.
Brother, I don't like it when you argue with Mama. If she's talking to you, you keep quiet and listen. She's your elder.
Are you mad? What kind of rubbish is that? So because she's an elder, I will just take everything just like that. Now let me ask you. If a man comes to marry you, and the sister to that man and the mother says no, what will you do?
They never born that man. No man would do that to me, brother. Just
have sense.
Stupid. Just allow him to eat. Before he corrupts his already corrupted brain.
Well, don't go.
Uncle, welcome.
Welcome.
Mama, I'm inside.
That's good. You met me well. Yes, I can see. Thank you very much.
I don't know if the rice is still remaining. I brought some for him. Just made it small for him. He just came back.
Okay.
I just said I must rush to see you because if I don't now, before I come again, the bread and the other things you brought, your mommy and your sister will just finish them.
No. You can't finish it. I will keep your own special. You know now.
I trust you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Really? I thought they said she's been cured.
Okay. You need to see the way she spoke to me today. If not that I was in her place, I would have fought with her.
Well, Iyere is not a bad person. Unless you spoke to her in a very bad way.
I don't understand.
Adora.
What is she supposed to mean?
Adora, that's enough. That's enough. You don't need to put mouth in every conversation. Now, come down. Come and take this in. Go to the market. Buy things that we're going to cook.
You were going to tell me something before. Say it again, let me hear. Say it now.
Ew.
Don't be shy now. When are your friend again?
I'll tell you. Very soon, your friend, me, Ugongwa will be off the market.
Are you serious? Hey! I'm happy for you. Tell me, who is this lucky guy? Tell your friend.
No wonder my friend Ukebu was telling me something. when he was reporting the case between his daughter and Urena's son, Maduka. That there was something, and I said,
exactly.
Okay, I must come here to see what's going on.
Yes, Uncle, so I want us to go tomorrow and make everything official. Straight up.
Done. Consider it done. Consider it done. Anywhere, anytime you want me, I am there for you. But one thing I must ask you, my son. This girl in question, do you know her very well?
Now you're talking.
Have you been able to stay with her for a period to know whether she's a nice girl?
Now you are talking. It's not I will support you, I will go with you. I am ready. I don't know why he does not want to listen to me. At least to take time out to study the girl. And not the kind of girl he wants to marry. Bah!
Uncle, she's a very nice person. As a matter of fact, this is somebody I've stayed with for like a month in the city.
And it's enough for you to marry her?
Mama, what is there to know again? Huh? Well, it's enough now. She's a very nice person. Don't worry yourself. Yes.
Well, if you say so, I am always ready to go with you.
Yes. I want us to go. Yeah. Yes, Uncle, I want us to finalize everything. Now that I'm around, I want us to, use this opportunity. Do everything once and for all. My blood is hot. I want it fast.
I am there for you. Just tomorrow, just give me a call. I am there for you. No problem. No problem.
Yes.
I'm so happy for you. Don't worry, by tomorrow, I'll be there to request it.
It's okay. Once you're a nice girl, you're bound to get married to a very nice, rich guy. Take for instance Jonas. He's very rich. He's just the man of my dream. God blessed me with him.
Sure.
You know what, my friend? If I was still in this village, Jonas would not have regarded me. That's why I keep telling you, look for a way and move to the city. That way you will meet lots of cute rich guys that's going to value you. This village, it brings you down.
My dear, you know how my condition is. Who will assist me? But if you do that for me, I'll be very happy.
It will be easy, but just wait. When we get married and move into our house, then I'll tell my husband so I can come back and take my sister and you to the city. Besides, my sister is misbehaving in this village. I need to take her out.
I don't even want to say anything concerning that your sister and her boyfriend Maduka. All I know is that you people should be ready for pregnancy.
God forbid! Justina, if she tries it, if that guy tried to put my sister in the family way, anyway, I trust my father and my brother now. The one they did to him today, he will never forget it. He will not forget it.
What did he do?
He came to our house today, sneaked into the bathroom where my sister was beaten and be caught.
I don't understand. So he wanted to do that in the bathroom with your sister?
Whoa! I mean, who does that? You can only see that in this village.
Hey! Now, wow.
That's why I keep telling them.
Bedroom love.
Stop that you are telling me, I beg. Somebody will not hear a word again. I've told you people, you should let me be. Let this matter rest. If you talk from now to tomorrow, I will not change my mind. I will get married to her. Find her.
Brother, why now? Why are you shouting at Mama? Me, I don't like it though. I don't like it.
Are you alright?
You're shouting at me more.
Mama, I am not shouting at you. I'm just trying to make you see reasons. What is that problem? What is that thing the man has done that somebody has not done before in this life? Let me even ask you, Mama. If somebody comes here now to marry your daughter and the person start talking bad about you, how will you feel? Do you think you are a saint? No, tell me now. If they start to open your book and open your chapter, don't you see they will find fault in your attitude?
Brother, this one is different. You better listen to Mama, oh. Listen to Mama, oh. Hey, I'm telling you now.
Jonas, it's okay. I give up. Go ahead and marry her. But don't say I did not warn you. Mark my word, from today, I will not be involved when your fight with them will start.
Mama, is it fight that you are worrying yourself? There is no fight. I am not enough to fight my fight by myself.
Continue.
My money will fight for me. Mama, rest. Just bless this marriage. Bless this marriage.
Go ahead.
There is no problem. Let me marry her. What is all this all? See, your own case is not even hard. It's just to stone you to death. Hello? Come on, get her from here.
I'm happy that you are now here with me.
Just leave me, oh. Maduka, I do not like a man that is stubborn.
Stubborn how? Eh? It's love, oh. When love is pushing you like this, you will not know what you are doing.
But I want you. But I want you. Tell me now, what did you gain from this? Okay. See, you just made everything worse for us. Let me tell you.
Worse? Listen, there's nothing worse. Nothing is worse, oh. See, let me tell you, the way they are fighting us now will make our love to be strong. That is it.
I know. But I don't like the way my father saw us in that bathroom. When people start talking about us, they will dislike us.
They will not dislike us. Nobody can dislike lovers. All these things they are doing is just gra-gra. Listen to me. I have a plan. Solid plan for you and I. I have a solid plan for you and I. Don't worry.
Hey. Don't worry. How are you?
How are you? Let it remain in your mouth. You see that? How are you? Let it gum in your mouth. What are you standing here? Come on, will you go home?
Sister, I don't like what you're doing, oh. Please allow me to marry a man just the same way you want to get married. Because leave me, oh. Ha.
Oh my God. Adora, marry who? Oh yeah, this one. This good for nothing. Adora, you will not bring shame to my family. Not the family that I'm involved in. Shame on you. Whoa! Now, come on, will you go home? Go home, my son.
Baby, don't worry. Go. Go. Let it be as we discussed.
Baby, why are you on there?
Okay.
Oh, let it be as we discussed. If you get mad, okay? Baby, we won't get there. Baby, why are you on there? I will deal with you. If you don't stay away from my sister, I will deal with you. You see this? I will cut it like this. Wait and see. I'm on.
Don't worry, that's where I'm gonna go. I want to be your brother-in-law.
In-law, why be there?
Brother-in-law.
Look at.
Ugo.
Hey, Adora.
Ada, baby. I don't blame your sister. I blame money. Money, I blame you. I didn't know that I caught you. As a millionaire. Would they be talking to me like this? No, everybody will be telling me, welcome, sir. Welcome, in-law. No problem. You people will say it too. Very soon, I'll get to Pam Nana. You people will begin to call me, welcome, in-law. If I don't go, okay, no one. Bye-bye, my love.
You see, that's why I'm here. Just to tell you to advise your son against Ukebu's daughter. Because we all know who that man is. He might injure your son.
Ichie, thank you very much. I really appreciate. But I don't have to worry. You don't have to worry too.
Really?
Because God has done it.
How do you mean?
Akonna, the daughter of Mazo Okonkwo, is now pregnant for my son.
What? Do you mean that one that stays with her grandmother?
Exactly. Nyawa, can't you see that with this now, that relationship my son has with Mazo Okebu's daughter has ended?
Really?
It
has ended.
So you don't have to worry, because immediately that girl finds out that my son has impregnated another woman, she will just run off.
You're very correct.
In
fact, I am beginning to have this as a good news. It's a good idea, because if you look at it, that girl will not want to be a second wife. So because of that, you will really don't want the same relationship. Anyway, in a way, I'm happy.
No. It may be can't be in a way. No, you don't have to be happy in a way. Be happy all around. You say so. The matter is closed. Thank you very much for the information you brought and for your concern in this family. You're from Yes, thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalata. Kasala don't chop a concrete, jabalata.
Ah, Iyeri, how are you? Longest time, Iyeri. How are you?
Is your father at home? I want to see him.
Is that why you didn't respond to my greetings? Well, my father is not around.
I did not stop you to exchange pleasantries with you. I want you to give your father this warning. Tell him to stay away from my mother's land. This is the last time I am going to warn him. And don't forget to give him the message.
Wait, Oyeri. You want me to warn my father for you? My own father. Did you hear yourself?
I don't have time for people like you. Adora, in case your sister forgets to give your father the message, don't forget.
It's okay. We'll talk to him when he comes.
If not for something, I would have given you a death slap.
You dare lay your filthy hands on me.
And what will you do?
Is this how you want to end? I will spare you this time. But the next time you try this, I will teach you the lesson of your life. Oluchi, move.
What God? Telling me to warn my father?
Sister, leave her. You know this girl has small problem. It could be that our Banji
The
has
next
started
time
again.
she tries it, she and that our Banji, I will beat them up.
Sister, let's go. Leave this girl.
In fact, I don't even want to go in. Come, let's go.
People should leave me. Akonna. Leave me, Mama. I will do something for you. I will kill myself for you people.
You will not die. I'm saying you will not die. You will not kill yourself and you will not leave this village.
Yes.
Mbano. Oma mmepe o. Iga neba no nwan.
Of course.
Okpara nko ahụhụ se mgbere bịara ya ụgwọ. Ya bịa go ụgwọ. Iga eri ya bụ ụgwọ.
Mama, God bless you for that. Maduka, Ifoge, you're not leaving this village at all. You're not going anywhere. You see me? You must marry me. Both of us. We glue here, we bam. Both of us, we must marry each other. In this village, not outside
Mama,
this village.
this is not fair. This is not fair. Allow him to go to the city now.
God bless you. Uchenna, God bless you. Tell them, Mama, I'm going to do something funny. I'm going to do what people will hear now and close their ears. Mama, allow me to go to the city and hustle. If I stay in this village, something will happen. Akonna. Leave, go back to your family. I don't want to marry you.
You must marry me.
I don't want to marry you.
You must marry me.
Mama,
you must.
Tell Akonna to stop hitting me her breast. Stop hitting me your breast.
Breast is our breast.
Stop hitting me your breast.
It is our breast.
If this breast go down.
It is our breast.
This breast go down and the baby will not see breast to drink, I will kill you. Leave me now. Allow me to go to the city and hustle and make money.
Wait, did I hear you say hustle? One bagger hije, onke bagger boss. I
will do something for you.
No, tell me. Tell me, you were in the village, you couldn't do anything. Is it at the city you will hustle and get something? You will remain here. We are not going anywhere.
Mama, let him
If you
go.
want to do anything, do it. Let me see. You will remain here. Do
Mama.
whatever you want to do.
Mama, allow him to go to the city and hustle now, so that he will be bringing money for us. How do you expect him to marry Akonna where you barely feed him? How do you expect him to marry?
I said it. Is it not you, Uche? Is it not you? I know you've been praying for long for me not to marry your brother.
And you will not
marry
him.
Because this your brother. He's going nowhere. We die together.
Lie.
Yes.
You are hitting me your breast. You are hitting me your breast.
It's our breast.
Mama.
It's our breast.
Mama, if I remain in this village, I will sell your goat. I will sell your goat.
No, come and sell.
Mama, I will sell your goat.
Come and sell it.
Akonna. Leave me. I will kill you.
Kill me.
I will kill you.
We will die together.
Mama,
we will die together. Leave him now.
Mama, I will react.
React on what?
I will react.
React on what?
Mama, leave him. Let him go. Just.
Oh! Where are you going to? Mama, where are you going to? We die here. Both of us, we die here. We die here. We die here. Akonna, we die here.
You're not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Akonna.
Akonna.
I don't want to marry you.
We die here.
I don't want to marry you.
We die here.
I don't want to marry you.
We will die here.
I don't.
We will die here.
Carry your breast.
We will die here.
Wahala don't get belle. Jabalata. Kasala don't chop a concrete. Jabalata. Aqua pretty so benty. Jabalata.
Iyeri, Wanyoma, beautiful maiden, who is like you?
Sister, if someone see you doing this, they will start talking bad about you.
Keep your mouth shut, else I will slap the living daylight out of you. How dare you distract me? Your beauty cannot be compared to any others. The ever gorgeous Iyeri.
What is going on here? Iyeri, when did you come back from the city?
What kills people is when they poke nose into issues that doesn't concern them. Woman, why are you distracting me?
Iyeri, how do you mean? How do you mean? How do you mean?
How is that supposed to be any business of yours? If I am back to this village, am I back for you? I don't want to get angry with you. Get out.
Talk to me like that. So you are still running that madness you be running before you left the city.
If you want to try me, slap me back or say another word.
I'm sorry. You raised this your cursed hand to slap me. Try it next time. I will remove this hair on your head one by one. Try me. Idiot.
Oluchi, move.
Papa, you see that girl? I'm going to deal with her, Papa. After dealing with her, she will go back to wherever she came from.
Jerry, are you telling me that little rat, that devil, has the guts to warn me? Me, Ukebu? Hey!
Not just warning you. She said it's the last warning, else she will deal with you. Last? Okay. Smally? Hey!
Last! Hey! Look, I will so deal with this girl, eh? I will deal with that devil. She will know why they call me a bad man when I show the other side of me. Okay, boo? Oh.
Papa, you don't need to disturb yourself. You have me. Your daughter is capable. I will do it her myself. I'm going to do it her myself. Allow me to take up the fight. Yes, now let me fight your fight. For what? She's my fellow girl.
I trust you.
I will not allow you to insult yourself now.
Oh.
Hey, Papa.
Okay, ma.
Okay, Japan is back. Okay, Japan is back. Yes, so yes. Oh, come on, take your money now. Is that how you do in this village? Come on, take your money.
Come on, sit down, my son. Sit down.
Let me pay him.
Pay. Come on. I've been waiting for him.
Papa, I'm back. I miss all of you. Hey.
Papa. My son.
Hey, I'm back.
My son.
What is it? What did I asked you to wait for you? Wait for what? Say ask you not to follow me. What is it? Eh? Why are you doing hard? Why are you hard? Eh?
Is it because I am pregnant for your brother? Eh? Stop now.
I have told you my mind. You know I don't know how to hide my feelings. Eh? You will end up making my brother unsuccessful. How do you expect him to cater for us and still cater for you and your unborn child? I don't like ladies that are stubborn, no. I'm telling you as my friend now.
Calm down now. Okay, wait, you want to tell me that you don't have a boyfriend? What if you find yourself in my condition? Tell me, what will you do?
Even if I have a boyfriend, I will not be as wicked as you.
Hi.
Uche. Hey. Ada baby.
Uche, please, let's go. Mama is waiting for us.
I don't understand. Did I come with you? Madam, go your way.
Uche, what is wrong with her?
What is wrong with me is that... Yes, what is wrong with me is that I am pregnant from Maduka. And please, leave Maduka for me. Or else, both of us will die in this village. Yes.
Uche, what is she talking about?
Don't mind her. She's just jealous. I've told her that my brother is not interested in her. That you are the one I want for my brother. But she's here killing herself. So leave her. Don't stress yourself. Happy. Let me go and fetch water. Mrs. Pregnant.
Said that witch did what? Ah! You see me? I will not take it from that idiot. I will not take it from that Amosu. Hey! Where's Jonas? Let him go and deal with her directly.
Mama, leave Jonas.
And show her that I have a human being in this house.
Mama, Jonas went to buy some drinks. And if I am here, you're calling on Jonas to go and deal with my fellow woman. Mama, now you sorted upon me now. I want to go and beat her myself. She dare lift her hands on your face.
I want Jonas to do it. Go see your Waka. At least when he does this, one eye will fall out. 4 teeth will come out. That is how I want. That is the kind of thing I want her to go through.
Mama, I will deal with her myself. Woman to woman, I'm Picharia, then my brother Jonas can go and deal with her too.
I want Jonas. I will see white whether she's young or old, so that Jonas will drag all of them and use her to sweep this community.
I can still use her to sweep the whole community, Mama. Leave her to me. You don't trust your daughter again. I said leave her to me. I will deal with her myself. Nagodi Yeri, slapping my own mother.
I am coming. If you're not Wanje and slapped me, my son will slap you. Your Wanje will glare and kill you of every madness in you. Hey! Look at how red this is. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Mama, he already did this to you.
Yes!
He already did this to you.
Yes, it's not.
Mama, you laugh. I want that for Nania. Don't worry. I will take care of it. By the time I am done with her, my own brother will still go and handle her.
Nah, please. I believe that one day everything will be fine.
Mama, nothing will be fine. Nothing will be fine. I'm telling you. The only thing that will make everything to be fine is that I cannot leave this house. Chikina. Akuna must leave this house. I don't want to marry her. Let her go. Is it by force? Mama? Is it by force? And let me tell you, if this make me and Adora to have issues, I will kill her. I will do something that everybody will close their ears.
Adora.
Adora.
No, please don't call that name here again. We quit Adora. Let me tell you, that girl's father is an evil man. That man will kill you. He only wants rich men to marry his daughters. And nothing more. I heard that Jonas came back to marry his daughter Ugonwa. Nekwego, that man doesn't want anybody like you.
Mama, these things you are saying now, it is called medicine after death. Because if you are saying it will enter here and come out from here. Mama, there's no need. Don't stop telling me all these things. Because it will not change anything. The only thing that will change things is that Akona should leave this house. If not, I will kill her.
She's not leaving, no.
If not, I will kill Akona.
Kill who?
I will kill her.
You know you can't kill her.
If she will not, Mama, no problem. No problem. You people have succeeded in making me not to leave. No problem. I will stay. But me staying here, I will torture you people that you people will send me. We will be praying God. Let Maduka leave this place. Let Maduka leave this house, and I will leave. That's what I'm telling you. As for me, Mama, I will go and kill her. Let her go because see her grave.
You know you can kill her.
Mama.
No, you man,
Mama, I will kill her.
But you know you cannot.
Mama, I will kill her. Should I go inside and kill her?
Go and kill her.
Mama,
go and kill her.
Mama, staying in this village will cost you something. All your goats will be sold. You will not. You will be goatless.
About what?
Mama, you have goat. You got less, sir. You see all these goats?
If you sell any of my goats, I'm one would
3,000.
And even
this one now, somebody is pricing the 3,000. I'll get ready.
If you sell my goat.
Papa, leave this fight for me. Like I said before, leave this fight for your son. I am back. Alright? So all protocols must be observed in this house. You cannot have a son like me and someone will come from nowhere and start misbehaving. Okay, Japan like me. What nonsense is that? You see that boy? I will deal with him personally. In fact, I will finish him. I will manhandle him. I will rough handle him. I will bring him down to zero. What kind of nonsense is that now? Who does that in this village? I will give him a strict warning. The warning of his life. And after then, I will go and see that Obanje girl. I will... Oh God! What is this now?
You see what I've been saying? You see what I'm saying? A lion cannot give birth to a goat. It's impossible. I have been waiting for you.
I'm back.
And I'm so happy that God has given you a man like me for a son.
Should I just go now? Should I start going now? Yes. Which one is I have to deal with a girl? And I will deal with both of them. I'm a man.
That girl, you need her.
I will see. Listen. Look at what I will do. I will beat Madoka. I will kill. In fact, Papa, I will bring out somebody's intestine. You are saying a girl. What is a girl? A girl that I will just use my one finger and demolish.
You don't know that girl.
Who is she? Who is she compared to me? Okay, Japan in this village. I will beat both of them and kill. In fact, Papa,
I trust you.
That's aside.
Okay, give.
But the good news here is that my sister will be taken from this family. So therefore, yes, you'll be a married woman soon,
You can say that again.
Nice one. They
are coming today to do the necessary things.
Today? Hey, Papa. Hey. This is the kind of things I want to be here in this family. Not one stupid. What is matter? Is he another person?
That is why I've been so happy since yesterday. In fact, yes, Adora. Adora should come. Bring drinks. I want us to celebrate when we are waiting for them to come.
Adora is fucking up.
You are a reflection of your own self. Beautiful. Priceless. A golden fish sought by everyone.
Where is that witch? Where is... Oh, you are here. I have come for you to tell me why you lifted your hands on my mother's face.
Why, Manarisia? The golden lady of the river.
I am talking to you, Yeri. How dare you slap my mother?
If you dare lay those filthy, cursed hands on me again, you will regret the day.
Regret what? You will do nothing, Yeri. How dare you? How dare you slap my mother?
Gina, what is it?
Get out! Stay out of this, idiot.
Oluchi, go inside. And as for you low-life, worthless parasites, if you don't get out of this place, you won't forget what I'll do to you.
You will do nothing! I repeat, there is nothing that you can do, Iyeri. How dare you? How dare you lift this your cursed imbecile of a hand on my mother's face? Was I the one that made your mother a witch? What? You dare slap me?
I will hit you double what I just gave you. If you are a woman, hit me back.
Ah! That is what you get for biting more than you can chew. The next time you lay your filthy gutter hands on my mother, I will put you in your place, Iyeri the witch.
You just dug your grave. And a big one at that.
I dug nothing! Come out! Come and face me! Iyeri witch! You are the highest witch in this village! Come, let us do it! Bond to bond! Woman to woman! Imbecile! Come out and face me, Iyeri! In fact, My brother is coming for you. I am not going to waste.
Adora.
Adora, what is it?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you're here crying.
I'm fine.
Adora, you're fine. And your face is like this. Tell me, what is it?
I said I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, if you insist you're fine. Papa wants to see you. Let's go.
Go, babe.
You? I am still waiting for you. You witch of a girl. I am still waiting for you. You know not say you know the craze. Look at. I am talking to you. Come out and face me. Come out. Gina is here to deal with you. Go and tell her to come out.
Gina, who are you telling to come out?
Go in there and tell that your Obanje of a sister, that imbecile, to come out because I am waiting. I am not going anywhere. Gina is here, and for slapping my mother, I will deal with her. I go give a marathon for this village.
She's not inside the house.
You dey Chris? You dey mad? I be one carry the matter for your head. You dey mad? I dey tell you sir, with her here when she waka enter inside. You are here telling me what? Go and bring her out before you go carry the blessing.
But she's not inside the house. Why not you go? Okay?
Go in there. Go bring her, come out. Go and bring her out, I said. You're covering up for your sister, ba? You dey cover her mess. She then raised her crippled, cursed imbecile of a hand on my mother. She dead does. Go and bring her! Go and tell her to come out.
See, Gina, I'm sorry. Please forgive her. I don't understand my sister anymore. I don't understand her. As I'm here right now, I'm so scared. I'm afraid. I don't know what is wrong with her. Even her mother. Her mother is...
Madam, go inside, go bring down your yeye sister, come out. If you can't finish, go and carry her out. Tell her I am waiting. Gina is waiting. Let us deal with ourselves. I will deal with her in the... I will give her blessing for this village. Cough, go call her.
Son. I am here to see your useless son called Madoka.
Ma, please go in there and bring Madoka out. Because if I use my both legs and go there, by the time I bring him out, he will be a dead man. Biko, please.
Please, Biko, wait to go there. What to be? Oh, Biko, no. We have tried to see how we can end this matter.
Mama, there is no need of settling any matter.
No need for matter settlement here. Please, had it been I was here yesterday and I witnessed what happened with my two eyes, by now your soul would have been in mortuary. Lying straight in the mortuary in lying state. Please, go in there and come Madoka. I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody now.
Okay, so will, but my brother loves your sister.
Let that love kill you there. After killing you, kill your brother. What kind of useless love is that?
Okay, fine. Wait. Let me tell you the truth now. God has settled this matter.
Wow.
He has done it.
Wow.
See Akonna here. She's pregnant for my son, Madoka. Yes, very soon they'll be getting married. So my son will not bother your sister again.
Very nice. A round of applause for your play of a son. No, let me applaud him. Your son is nothing but a village player. All he does is to go around, going and be seeing girls and be impregnating them one after the other. But thank God he has not come to my sister, because I will deal with him personally. Let your useless son marry her. Mama, and tell your son not to near my house again. Good. I don't want to see him close to my sister. No problem.
What are you saying? This is not what you're talking now. What are you saying? And you know my brother is not interested in this thing. What are you saying now? I'm super agree. I'm here to stay. Mind you. I don't like this thing that you said though. I don't like this thing that you said. Do I hear? Super agree. Do I hear? Mama, she's speaking again. How is my baby? She's speaking again, Mama. Mama, this girl is always stressing me. Forget about them. She's stressing me. Mama, okay.
Sister? Where were you? I don't know what happened to me. I've been coughing since.
You're fine now. Mind what you tell people in this village. Else, I will hurt you. Keep your mouth shut. Else, I'll be very angry with you. Go inside.
Okay, sister.
As for the people of this village, I am waiting.
Okay. Papa. Are you sure what you are saying is true?
Ha. Papa, I am 100% plus one sure. I know what I saw there. I'm very happy that it's happening like this. So that our sister, Adora, would know the kind of man, the kind of idiot she is dealing with.
Hey!
A village player, a village mugu, a village orchis, a village shenanigan, a village nitwit.
That boy is very useless. I said it. He is a useless boy.
A useless failure.
I wish Adora was here so that she would use her ear and hear.
Yes.
You see?
Hey!
When I pursue that fool, they will say, Ukegbu is wicked. Ukegbu is wicked. They say I'm wicked, or they don't even know what they are the ones making me to be wicked. Now, come to think of it. What exactly can that poor church rat possibly do for your sister?
Nothing.
Nothing now.
What? Nothing.
A boy that has not traveled out of this village before. Nothing now. Not like me.
I just pray that this information is true. I pray that it's true, that he will not come close to my daughter again.
Very true. Papa, I even saw the girl there. She was just.
You did?
Rebina told me that she's pregnant. She's pregnant. I said,
thank God. Thank God.
Hey, Papa.
Are you not going to dress up?
Papa, I will.
Go and dress up. That one is more important.
Go and dress up.
This is good news.
Papa, I saw the girl was even looking at her.
I tried to stop that useless boy.
Because that boy, everybody knows him.
Maduka, tell me, do I look like a fool to you? With all the love I had for you?
Baby,
This one, if this one is a love, slap of love, is hot, oh. Why did you slap me? What is it?
So Akuna is pregnant for you, right? Why did you lie to me that you had nothing to do with her again?
I no longer have anything to do with her. It was just that once. That once, Ofuono. Eh? I didn't know that she took everything I deposited.
Liar. So this is what you want to do to me too, Abi?
How can I do this thing to you now? I cannot do this thing to you. Your case is different. You are the one I love. Eh? You are the one I want to marry. Your case is different.
So now what are you going to do to her?
She's going to. Right now as I'm talking to you, I've been fighting with my mother. That she must go and she must go. It's you that I want to marry.
Well, that is your own cup of tea right now. As for me, when I heard it, I was so upset and I wanted to confirm it from you. Now that I have Maduka, it is over between both of us.
Hey, no.
If you come close to me again, Maduka, what I will do to you will not like it.
Baby, don't say this thing. Don't say this thing. It cannot be over between us now. How can it be over between us? This is love issue.
I'll get out.
Baby, please.
Ifoma, Maduka.
Baby, please, don't go. Baby, please, now.
Maduka,
please.
Maduka,
please, baby. Are you going? Hey. Baby, please. Ada, baby. Hey. You have finished me. You have finished me. My mother, everybody, all of you will see it. All of you will suffer it. I will not take it. I cannot lose Adora. I cannot lose you, Adora. Instead of me to lose you, I will lose Akuna. I will kill Akuna. Akuna will lose her life. What will I do now? Hey, Mbano, Agada.
Strong man you are. Yes, so thank you very much.
Jonas,
how are you?
Okay, welcome.
Good to see you.
It's wonderful.
Sit down.
Yes, thank you.
Sis, I've been making you to see.
I didn't know you were almost.
Papa, let's go.
Yes, please, just we're coming. Let's go.
It's my friend.
It's always like that.
Yeah.
Very strong man. That man.
He has a nice car.
It's a wonderful thing. It's talking about your car.
Oh, where could she have gone to? She was right here before I went to take my bath.
Leave her first and get ready. I'm sure before you finish up, she will come.
Ugonwa.
Yes.
Ugonwa.
Yes.
What is it now? Hurry up now. They are here. Eh?
Really?
They are here now. You're asking me really?
Where is Adora?
Are you asking me or I should be asking you that? So she's not here?
She's not here.
See that girl? You see that girl? Okay, no problem. Let her keep on gallivanting around this village. But she will come back here and meet me. But meanwhile, Papa is calling you. So hurry up. Come. Hurry up. Leave all these things now. Get some makeup. Get some makeup. Biko, let's go. Oh, Chineke me. When they marry you now, all these things will not be necessary.
What I'm going to do to Akuna? What I'm going to do to her? Her family will not know her again. She will see.
This village. How did Adora come to know about this?
Who knows? How will I know? But what I'm telling you is that if I lose Adora, Akuna will lose her life. Nothing will make me to lose Adora. Do you know how much I spent on her? Do you know how much I spent for this girl? I bought a lot of pants and bra for her. Other things. I know. And you want me to leave her?
Man, the thing is, Akuna is not the problem right now. If that girl, Adora, says she does not want to settle you because of Akuna's pregnancy, then she has to give you everything you have been buying for her, everything you have been giving to her.
No.
That is how it is.
She must date me. It's a by fire by force thing. She must date me. Not after what I saw in the bathroom yesterday. If you see this girl, if you see her physiognomy, yellow papa, everywhere yellow. The thing, I couldn't sleep last night. The thing was giving me high blood pressure. I cannot stand and see Adora and another man together. I will die. If you see what I saw. No.
If she insists that she will not accept you back, you should know that you must collect back everything that you have given to her. Be it panto, brow, you must collect it back. It's your property. Don't let it go like that.
Babe, is that how you are?
Which one is? Which one is that how I am? That is how I am, oh. That is how things are supposed to be done.
That is how we are.
Even this drink now, the day you will mess up, you will pay for all these things. You better pay for it now.
Yes,
the meaning of that?
It's not tomorrow now somebody will say you rape me.
Yeah.
It's not if after drinking all these things. When both of you will go home, you better cooperate.
Thank you.
Better cooperate well.
Thank you.
What is all this?
She has to settle you.
But as for Akonna, I will kill her. Her name is Nabanandokwa because I will not take it. If I lose her daughter, she will lose her life. Because that baby in your womb, made you a pocket.
Ugonwa.
Yes, Papa.
Adam! Look at her. Is this my daughter not beautiful?
I'm happy to be your in-law.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. My wonderful daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I called you here. I'm sure you are not strange to these people. You know them, right?
Yes, Papa.
So, Jonas just broke the news to me that instead of this kurukere that you know, we're pretending as if we're not saying that. Yes. Now he wants to make it official.
Exactly.
So he came with hey! I've not seen this kind of drink before. He came with all this. That if you agree, you know we cannot touch these things except she tells us otherwise. So my daughter, tell us, do we accept this?
Yes, Papa.
Hey. Oh, look at you see?
He's the man I love.
Hey. Oh, no,
love what it is.
This is it. Oh, what are you talking about?
My beautiful sister.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So, well, we don't have anything to wait for again. Let's drink.
Yeah, we'll drink.
You can go. You can.
Before then, Papa, let me just show the neat one.
Hey, I trust this.
I like this kind of feeling.
I know my son.
I like this.
I know my son. Hi. Oh, we are there.
Hey. This is real. This is real.
This is real. Your father-in-law.
I can see.
I'm also here.
I know you are here.
Okay.
You are talking to me.
This is your name. I know you used to be my friend, though.
This is very bad for a beautiful girl like you. How could you?
It's okay. I've heard you. It's over between me and Maduka. He will never see me again.
Bam! Let him not see you again. Let him not set his eyes on you again. Never! Just take a good look at your sister. Even me that is not a member of your family envies her. That man be living this kind of life in this village, oh. Doing village love with one irresponsible boy. Thank your stars that this pregnancy came. If not, you would have been the one he would have done this to.
I'm not that cheap to him. Yes, it's true that I love Maduka so much, but I've never given myself to him. Even the other day that he saw my naked body in that bathroom, he didn't touch me. I'm not that stupid.
Oh, anyway, your family are angry. So when you finish crying, you go and beg them. If not, okay, your brother will finish you. You know him. No, you don't know.
Give me my bag. I am not. If you don't leave this house, I'll kill you.
Hey!
You are leaving this house.
I am not going anywhere.
You must leave.
If you want to kill me, kill me. I am not going anywhere.
That means I'm going to kill you.
Kill me.
I'm going to kill you.
Kill me. He said you should leave. Go! I am not going. I am not going. Uche, what is it? Uche, you're just like a fellow woman like you. You're just like a fellow woman like you. Fellow woman. Uche, when I told you about it, did you listen to me?
Fellow woman. Which one, fellow woman?
Yes.
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 You must leave.
I am not going. It's better he leaves now before Mama will come back.
It's
better she goes now. Mama, they want to kill me. I am not going. I am not going anywhere. I am not going. Mama. I'm super glue. I am super glue. I am super glue. I have to leave me alone. But I can't her now.
She's beating me. The man that will marry her.
So what did you use the hand to do today?
I did not do anything with this hand. I don't know why he's telling me like this. Mama.
I'm harvesting the night too. Alright, oh? Sorry. Sorry.
Mama, stop it!
Why is he beating you like this?
I don't know.
So, you mean Jonas has done that? Eh?
Mama? Mama, leave Jonas. He's not the one that is getting married. Eh? Anything he sees, let him take. It's not my problem. My problem is my hand. The pain is excruciating, Mama.
Eh? You know your brother. I'm not saying anything. He doesn't know what he's getting himself into. But he will say, had I known. Just bring the hand now. Judo Bigaka, let me massage it well. It's my hand that is not strong.
Mama!
You do not put this thing on the ground.
Mama, no.
It's alright, Nani.
Papa, I'm sorry. Brother, I'm sorry. You will not see me with Maduka again. If you see Maduka here, do to him anything you want.
The thing you want. I should do to him anything I want. What of you? What should I do to you?
Papa, do anything to me as well. You will not see me with him again. I've changed.
Anyway, you are lucky that I'm in my good mood today. Eh? You came to apologize at the right time. If not, what I would have done to you,
Well, as for me, I don't have any business with you. Papa, the person I want to deal with now, the person I want to see is that hero of a girl. That's too.
Who asked you to
stand up now?
Idiot.
You don't have respect, Abi. But I will go to that girl. I will deal with that girl personally. I will destroy her.
Papa, it's okay. You don't need to worry about Adora and Madoka again. Once my husband and I are going back to the city, we'll carry her. Let me see how Madoka will come and visit her.
Yes, sir, I agree.
Madoka will come to the city.
Sister, I will go with you. I don't even want to stay in this village again.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. I want to get married to a rich and a good man like Jonah.
Like who? You will not look for your own husband. You're looking at someone else's husband.
It's okay. Now she has apologized. You are now in my good book. I'm writing your name down. Hey. Come on,
Papa, thank you.
You that I want to eat money on your head. If you follow that boy again.
Papa, please.
I go and prepare food. Go and prepare food.
Brother, thank you.
Go and prepare food.
What is wrong with you? Do you want her to lose her baby?
Mama, she will lose it though.
She will lose it though. Sing it.
Okay.
I cannot lose my first grandchild.
Okay.
I'm handed to a man. It cannot happen.
Mama, why can't you support your son for once?
I don't want you again. Ofeke, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with both of you? If Madoka had kept what is in between his legs, would we be here talking rubbish now?
At all.
I can't ever accept honor.
Mama, so you slapped Uche because she told you the truth. Akonna.
Because of Akunda. You slapped me because of Akunda. You will see no peace in this house.
You see your name. I'm going to turn your name to cry. See me cry.
When Mama
You
is
see
here.
you. Mama is here.
You will do nothing.
Mama, you slap two children and my sister because of this flave. You.
My baby, oh. My baby.
I will bite you again. If you touch her again, I bite you again. Mama, if you touch her again, I bite you again. Mama, you bite me.
Yes. You should be ready, You should be ready.
Yes, sorry.
My daddy, Mama, for you this afternoon.
Sorry.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
I couldn't.
Your name is going to turn to cry. See me cry. That will be your name. Mama bite me because of you.
You don't do anything. Mama.
I will bite that baby out from your womb.
Mama.
Get ready.
Mama, Mama, baby, more. Sister, nowhere. I just want to give my clothes to Amanda.
With your bag? You want to run away from here, right?
Sister, I'm getting afraid every day. I don't know what's happening in this house anymore. I don't know what's happening. I'm confusing Mama. Mama's illness is getting worse every day. You're not doing anything about it. I'm scared.
So you want to run away? You want to leave this place? You want to run away to your mother? So you could tell her what you like. I think I know what to do to you. Go inside.
Sister, please don't do anything to me.
Mama, I am happy now, and I hope you are happy with me.
I am not happy with you. But since you have decided to marry that girl, go ahead. Manamarakwa, that anything that comes out of it, it is your responsibility to carry it.
Mama, nothing will happen. I know why you are sounding like this. It is because of what you told me about Iyeri. Don't worry. First thing tomorrow, I will go and teach her a lesson. Just calm down.
Good. I don't know why a girl like her will slap your mother and you will not do anything about it.
Not possible.
Look at your sister's hand. I don't know what is happening to that hand. Pico, give her money to go and buy drugs.
No.
Please, I need money to buy drugs. My arm has been very heavy and painful too.
Yeah, sorry.
We have put everything, rubbed everything, yet it's still paining her.
No, it's just a minor this thing, Just go and let them give you something. All those chemists. I have money, yeah. Anyhow it is, just let me know. Buy a few. That's not a problem now. Is that why you're squeezing your face? But don't worry. Iyeri's matter is settled. Our hand is settled. So everybody were happy. We are all happy.
You're looking fine in this year.
Who is in this stupid house? Who is in this nonsense house? Come out now. My friend, will you get up from there, you stupid? I said come out here. Idiot. You call yourself Iyeri or what? Come out here. Come out.
If I had known it was you, I would have looked for a more demeaning name for you.
Fine. Good. Oyibo, nice one. But ask about me, okay, Japan. If you don't know, ask about me, USM. I have been to different cities in this country. I have traveled to different states and capitals. I heard you're very stubborn. I heard you're very diabolic. But not for me. Because I'm more diabolic than you. Yeri? Where do you come from? In fact, who you? Who are you, this girl? Listen, I know you're very stubborn. I've heard about that. But it's so good because I'm more stubborn than you. If you ask about stubbornness, if they should bring stubbornness from dictionary, you see my picture there. I am more dangerous than you. I've heard all you did in this village. But fine, do not bring that leg near my father. You hear me? Do not bring that useless leg near my father. Otherwise, I will just kill you. I will bury you alive.
You say that to me. You will kill me.
Look at this girl, though.
No, just look at this girl. Okay, fine. Let me tell you what you need to know and what you need to hear. Now listen, that land is not yours anymore. It is ours. If you must know, go and tap your late father from the grave. Ask him questions. Because that land was given to my father when your wretched father was hungry and was looking for food. Go and ask him that. My father fed your father, even your late mother. So that land belonged to us. I do not want to see you close to that land again. As for the document, we have it. As for the everything that belongs to we have it. So I do not want to see you close to that land again at all. Do you hear me?
And I ask again, did you say that to me? Now leave this place, else you and your entire family will regret this day. Get out.
Come, girl. For the fact I belittled myself to talk to you, do not give you infantry to insult me here. Ask about me, Omuaboke, Japan. I have toured so many countries. I deal with top men and rich men in this village and even abroad. So, for the fact I'm talking with you, ordinary girl doesn't give you the right to talk to me back. Like I said, I know you're stubborn, but see, I will just finish you like this. Just with my fingers, I will just crush you and finish you. Look at this idiot. Who the hell are you, Seth? Listen, anybody that knows this girl, come and warn her.
Look at me.
Come and warn her.
Okay. I said, look at me.
Oh,
look. By the time I am done with everyone in this village, they will know I am not who they think I am. Wahala don't get belly, jabalata. Kasala don't chop concrete, jabalata. Aqua pretty so plenty, jabalata. Mama mi water, jabalata.
Baby, please. Don't do this to me. I'm begging you.
Maduka, I've told you it's over. Do you think I'm joking?
Please, now, don't do this. When you talk like this, now, you talk as if you never loved me before.
Maduka, I do not love you again.
Again?
I cannot love a man that thinks that I'm a fool. See me, I was over there fighting my family over you while you were busy getting another woman pregnant. Maduka, how many times did I call you? If you ever come close to me again, I will pour you hot water.
You pour me hot water?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, stop talking like this now. Stop talking like this now. You cannot allow this relationship to just end like this. You know how much I have spent on you. You know how much both of us have, what we have suffered together.
Maduka, how much did you spend on me? How much did you spend on me? Tell me, how much was those stupid pants and bra that you bought for me? How much are they cost? Not to talk of the kisses, the smudging, or even see my naked body in that bathroom. Tell me, how much does it cost? Wait, are you thinking of getting those things back? In Apwala, you are mad. Your head is spilling. You don't know what is wrong with you. Come and try it now. Come and get those things back.
Baby, please. Please, forget all these things. Let's continue. Let's continue.
Continue what?
You know what we have fought together. Let's continue. Let's don't end this, Don't end this,
Maduka,
I love you.
Maduka, leave me alone. I don't want to do again. I don't want to do again. Don't come close to me again or get out.
Is that how you pushed me? Adora, let's go. Me where's one man? Hey, Adora, can I follow you to the stream? Adora, this is not good, though. Don't end this thing like this, oh. Don't end this like this. Hey. Akonna. Yeah, you brought this thing upon me, oh. Akonna, you brought this thing upon me, oh. Akonna, there will be a problem with you. Where is Peter? I need to see Peter so that my head is full, so that I know what I'm doing. Peter will advise me. Akonna. Adora, let me meet Peter.
No. On a serious note, who do you think you are? Why will you lay your hands on my mom? Listen, let me warn you. Don't try this rubbish again.
On a normal day, I'll just come here and beat you up. But I'm respecting you. Because the next thing they will hear and I say, it's a woman beater. Domestic violence. Why would you do that kind of rubbish?
And you think you were man enough to hit me, right?
Wait, it's like you don't know me. No, you don't even understand me. I have your type. Plenty on my payroll, I have your type in the city. If I cough, they run. You understand me? Because they are loyal to me. I put them on a steady payment. So you are nothing compared to them.
You are a chaff compared to other men I have dealt with. Men like you worship me. Men like you wash my panties.
Okay. Men
like you drink my tears. I don't want to be angry with you. Get out.
Come back here, what is wrong with you? Are you alright? Eh? Do you know who you are talking to on a very normal day? Men like you do this, men like you do this. Those are stupid men. Eh? You think I'm those kind of men? Listen to me for information, I'm into big things. I'm a big boy, I'm not like all those stupid boys. You understand me? So when I talk to you, don't walk out on me like that. I come to warn you. So you let me leave before you leave. If you try this rubbish again, come on, let me look at you.
Look at me.
Hey, I'll look at your hair. What happened? Look at her.
I said look!
Mommy.
Okay, Chuku. What kind of rubbish are you regurgitating from your mouth?
I am not saying rubbish. I am not saying rubbish. I am only telling you the gospel truth. I don't know why some people are scared of the truth. But it's good to spit it out because I know it hurts. But it's good to know that the truth is bitter. Papa, that girl did not do anything to you people. She has not hurt me. Nor you, nor my sister. She's a very peaceful girl. Very decent.
Hey.
Even if you see this baby, very fine. Papa,
okay,
leave her alone. You want to fight her?
Okay, one more. Wait, okay. So what you're saying is that we should let her go. Just like that. After insulting Papa.
Who insulted Papa? Eh? Who insulted this man? Nobody insulted you, Papa. Did anybody insult you? Nobody insulted you. She was just telling you something that is right. You are far. You know the land. That land belongs to them. Eh? Give it out. It is not even good to fight a woman. Never. It is not right at all. That girl is a very beautiful girl. If you see the way she speaks, cool. Her dressing, beautiful. Her hair, wonderful. Everything about her is just too good. Papa, that girl, she cannot look.
Shut up that your dirty mouth!
Hi!
What has come over you?
The truth.
Hey! Are you out of your mind?
No.
I can see that those are electric bulb eyes have captivated you and made nonsense out of you that you don't know what you are doing anymore. Hey! No wonder you came back late at night. Hey!
Papa, you see me, I don't care. I don't want to know what went down between her and okay. I'm going to meet her. I'm going to face her woman to woman. If she wants fight, I will give it to her. I will fight her if that is what she wants.
Good! That is my daughter talking.
You don't know what is happening.
That is my daughter talking. I even made a mistake for sending okay down.
Hey.
I never knew it's a weakling like a lily jellyfish.
Oh! Very soon a shark. No, very soon a dolphin. Papa, no problem. So you want to fight. You are Mike Tyson. You want to destroy somebody. Good. As for you, you know you don't have strength normally. You cannot fight. You don't have strength. One thing that you start crying. Do not go there and fight. Don't touch her. Because
what will happen?
That girl will beat you. I have gone there. I have seen. I have confirmed. The girl is innocent. Papa, you know how far now. That land belongs to her. Do not stress yourself. You're not a wicked man. But if you want to be wicked, you go there.
Oh, please, just shut up.
You go there.
Just shut up and get out from here, idiot.
Fine, I will leave.
Get out.
I will leave.
Idiot.
I will build my house.
Get out from here.
Okay, Japan. I will
get out.
I will build my own house.
Scallywag.
I will build my house in this house.
Become fool.
No problem.
Idiot. Useless son like you. Can you imagine? I didn't know he's a weakling. I thought I have a son. In fact, I am sonless. Okay.
And you let her go like that? Ha! Guy, man, you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up. I have told you that if she doesn't want you again, she should give you back everything that you gave to her. It's that simple. I don't know what to do. Eh? She just passed here. She has gone to the stream. Then let's wait for her here. you will start by seizing her pants and bra. Yes, because I am sure, I feel that the one that she's wearing, you are the one that bought it.
Yes, now I bought everything.
You bought everything, and you want her to go like that. Oh, we have to seize everything. That is the main thing.
Can you imagine?
She will pass here.
I don't know what to. She even threatened to pour me hot water.
Yes. And you just let her go. Hey, my guy, I did best for you. Is it that you are afraid of her brother? Me and you, both of us, we can beat her brother up in this village. We'll beat him up. Don't be doing soft with this girl.
Adora.
She will pass here. Let's wait for her.
Adora.
You start by seizing that pant.
I warned you. I warned you. I warned you.
But Justina, don't you have any drug we can give her to reduce this swelling and subside the pain? She's going through a lot already.
Mama, this is not what drugs can cure. You have to take her to the hospital.
Hey! Hospital? Hey, sorry, Mom. I don't know what Jonas is still doing at Yeri's place. Let him come and take us to the hospital before I'm back. Ndo, Mom, Ndo.
Mama, this hand is paining me.
I know.
Mama, this hand is paining me.
Ndo, Mom. We know we cannot trek to the hospital. We have to wait for your brother to come here and drive us all to the hospital. And even give them small money. Hospital, no deposit, no treatment. I can't carry you there and go and abandon you. Sorry.
But wait, Mama. What exactly did she do with the hand? Gina, tell me the truth. Did you hit your hand somewhere?
No. I did not do anything with this hand. I did not do anything with this hand. I don't know why he's spraying me like this. I did not do with this hand. I did not do anything.
Just try and relax.
No. Hey! Justina, stop now. We are chemists. I'm not chemist again. You don't want me to have it. Just stay away. Okay, I'm sorry.
You don't know me. I am not a violent person, no. I am a peacemaker. I don't like trouble. You understand me? I like everything going smoothly. It's just that, our mothers in this village, they always want you to fight for them.
And when you keep fighting for them, you get into trouble.
Yes. And it doesn't make sense. You understand? I don't even know what came into my mind. Why will any man with his right sense, why will I even wake up and challenge you? You don't know how sweet you are looking. You are smooth. Look at your body. Wanyoma.
I have a brush here. I want you to take it and brush up my hair. And afterwards, you file my nails.
Okay.
Can you do that?
If I can do that, as a matter of fact, you can call me a brusher. I brush for a living. When I look at my hand, it's brushing. I will brush you. It's not just to brush your head. I don't have any other work I do. Watch how I do it. You see it now, softly. Oh God. By the time I finish brushing your hair, you will know what hits you. I am the brush. I am the brush machine. Wow.
Just stop talking.
Hey! Jonas! What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I should be the one asking you now. What are you doing here? I am working.
Jonas, I'm asking you. What are you doing with this stubborn, foolish girl?
Hey, stop that. Why are you calling her stubborn? You see somebody just sit down like this, cross-legged, looking at one point to one direction, not even blinking. You are calling her stubborn. Is this one foolish? Why are you sounding like that? No, let me even ask you. Why are you people attacking her? Why? Why always her? Just yesterday, your brother came here, almost beat her up. Why are you people acting like that?
Yes, that was because she insulted my father and she even insulted your mother too. You told me that. Why are you here talking so calm with her?
Yeah, I told you. But what is insult? Sometimes insult is good for the body. You don't know. When they insult you, you have a brain reset. Don't go and be fighting for all these our parents. Let them carry their workload on their own head. You understand? The battle is for the Lord. Everything is about peace. You understand? The sins of the father will not go carry him now. You don't understand? Forget about it. Please just go home. Go back home. Let me complete this work. You like the way I'm doing it,
Jonas.
What is your problem now? Go now.
Jonas, get back to work.
Yes, mommy.
You're wasting my time.
Alright, mommy.
Jonas! Do you know that this
is wrong with you? You need to set now.
This is my husband.
Listen, anything you want to say, I'll join you.
Maduka, what is this? Leave me alone, no.
Listen, let me tell you. I'm giving you 2 options. 1, let us do it. Or 2, you give me back everything that I have given to you. All the money I spent on you, you pay me back.
Maduka, you are a madman. You are very, very stupid. You and who will do what? Look at this public dog that cannot even control himself. Do what? And wait, look at me. Look at me. Give you what? Is it because of those stupid pants and bra that you gave me? Maduka!
Let me tell you, all the pants, all the bra that I bought for you, you pay me back. Starting from now. Starting from now. Wanna? Did you hear her?
See,
did you hear her?
You are the one that is taking it easy with her. Adora, don't be a stubborn girl. Don't be stubborn. Give him back his property. Give it back to him.
Maduka, I don't owe you anything. What is it? Is it by force? I don't want to do it again. If you see me coming, look the other way. Stop disturbing me now.
I should leave her alone. I go now. Carry your water and go. Carry your water and go. Go. Carry your water and go. Let me see.
This is your property. This is my pants. Come on.
Let me take that the ground.
What's wrong with you? Respect yourself. I'm warning you. Now go back. Go home. I know I'm telling you this now. Respect yourself.
Jonas, I'm not living here without you.
You're not living here without me?
Yes.
Meaning what?
We're living together.
For what now? Did they tie our placenta together? In fact, for this thing you just said now, this relationship is over. I don't want to have anything to do with you again. Just carry yourself and go.
What did you just say?
I said leave here.
Now I know you're mad. You're drunk. Yeri, I'll do it to you. I'll do it to you.
Now I know you're a fool. I'm talking to you, you are talking to my mommy. Are you not a very big fool? So look at the person you are talking to. Somebody that is not even talking anything. She's just facing one direction. Crossing. Can you cross your leg? Cross your leg. No, cross your leg, whether you know go for here now. Cross leg like this. See the way she's crossing leg. Just looking, moping. Quiet girls. Quiet girls are the prettiest. Come on, get out from this place. Go! I will slap you. Are you okay? Better get out from this place.
Jonas, let's go.
If I raise my house. Jonas! What's wrong with you? Are you mad? Don't come here, Kero. Rubbish.
I'll do it to you. I'll do it to you.
Come on, deal with your head. You're mad.
Hey. Good boy.
Hi.
Now come.
Just standing very close to you. It's as if they are draining my energy. You are smooth. Hi. My heart is beating fast. See what I did for you. Eh? What do you want to do? Eh? You want to hug me? Kill me. Wound me. Hug me. Take me. I'll do anything for you.
And there are more things you will do for me.
Name it. Who are we killing? Let us suck blood.
Okay, leave me, Papa, leave me. You are not going. Bring the document. Leave me, leave me, There's something wrong with you. Leave me, Papa, leave me, Come. Papa, leave me alone, I will bite you. Bite me now. Are you done? Are you done? I will bite you. Papa, bring the document. There's something wrong with you.
Papa, leave me alone. Papa, leave me alone. Let me go.
I'm not leaving you.
Papa,
you're not going anywhere.
Have marker. Papa, have mark. I'm respecting you.
Bring the documents.
I am respecting
Bring
you.
the documents.
Papa, these land documents belong to Yerio. Eh? You want to fight a woman? You're a man, oh. Leave this land document for her. I'm telling you now.
You will kill me today.
Okay, now.
Papa. Oh, you're not going anywhere.
Papa.
Oh, what is it, Papa? What is it?
Papa, it's not Maduka.
Maduka?
Yes.
Okay.
He blocked me on the road. And told me that since I don't want to date him, I should give him back everything he has given to me. Papa, before I knew it, Maduka threw me on the ground. Himself and his friend, they dragged me. They took my pants and bra away.
What? So you mean as you are standing now, the headquarters of your local government is empty, it's open?
Papa, don't need to ask questions. No need for those nonsense. You're the cause of all this rubbish that is happening to you. When you're busy flirting around with Madoka, he was giving you 50 naira, 100 naira. You never knew that you would not marry him.
Hey brother, what kind of talk is this now?
The kind of talk is that he has taken what rightfully belongs to him.
Just shut up, yeah, just shut up.
Okay,
take
fine.
What?
Good, no problem.
I will kill that boy, I will kill the boy, that Madoka boy. I will kill him.
Good. If you want to kill Madoka, kill him. If you want to bury him alive, anything you want to do, but you know the truth, which is what I want to do now. Let me carry these documents and give to Yeri. And that is it.
Don't bring it!
Papa, I'm not
bring the documents. Bring the documents.
Do something that the God will get angry.
Bring the documents.
I will do something that the God will get angry.
Bring it to.
Papa, I will do.
John, don't worry. Hey, what is wrong with this, my son? Oh, something is wrong with this boy. Oh, it's been bewitched. Oh,
Papa, what happened?
Don't ask me those questions. What happened? Well, are you not here? See him taking the documents away. What happened?
Why is he taking it to now?
No, he's taking it here. He judged.
Madoka, I will kill Madoka. I really.
Ugonwa, what's happening to you? Why are you crying?
Jonas beat me up and pushed me away.
Sufiakwa. Jonas, this is not ordinary. You have to tell your father this, even your brother too.
That's one. He now insults my father. I'm sure this is not ordinary.
Are you serious about this?
Jonas!
Just look.
Gossipers. What is going on here? What is it?
Don't ask. Don't ask like you care. After all, you're the cause of all this.
Okay. You have to tell how. She said she went to Yeri's house. Jonas, her husband to be, beat her up and sent her away.
I should ask her what now? CNN. Did you ask your friend here why she went to Yeri's house? Don't you have a house? Don't you have a house? You left your own house and you went to another girl's house and you're saying they beat you up. That is a small one. When I was telling you and Papa to mind your business in this village, you guys thought I was living mad. Now you see, it's not only beating, next time they will kill you.
Are you serious?
Idiot.
You see what I'm telling you? This whole thing is not ordinary. This whole thing is not ordinary. This is not ordinary. This guy did something. I will go and meet Papa. Papa, I will see again.
Yeri, this guy is so powerful. Yeah.
Easy. Jonas. Jonas, now what kept you? We've been waiting for you.
Waiting for me for what now? Sure, we have been through this matter before. What is it?
Jonas, just look at your mother and look at your sister. Take a look at your sister's hand. It's getting worse by the minute.
Mama.
Let us take her to the hospital before she will die.
Mama, take it easy now. I don't have time for that thing. I'm trying to rush now, freshen up and attend to Yeri. You understand? I don't have time. Then for my sister, what you need to do now is take her to Josina's place. Then give her medicine.
Josina just left her. It is not working. She even advised us to take her to the hospital. Yes.
Okay. Sorry. You will not die. There's something I need to do now urgently. Yeri is the most important thing to me now. So let me just quickly go and fix it. Then we'll know how. I will know how we'll sort it out. Mama, leave this.
This is Yeri. Yes. The Yeri that slapped your mother. Is the person you're running around for, trying to attend to.
Mama,
why does Spicy are dying?
Leave this thing. Yeri is a nice person.
And take medicine.
Yeri is a nice person. Stop condemning her. I don't know why you don't like her.
She's a nice person.
Forget about it.
And she slapped your own mother.
Mama, sorry for the slap. Let me apologize, please. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's what I told him. I don't know what else. I'm as confused as you are right now because I know what you're going through, but I don't know what else to do. Money I don't have. What do I do? No, don't cry.
You said Jonas did what to you?
Papa, I don't understand again. I don't understand what is happening again. Jonas told me it's over between us, Papa. He beat me up, pushed me away. The woman is about to marry, Papa.
Hey! Papa, this is not good though. What is happening?
Iyeri, hey, no, just leave. I will show Iyeri the other side of me. Yes, I will show her. Do you know that your brother, okay, took the land documents and gave them to her?
What?
Yes.
No, Papa, this is not ordinary again. You have to do something about this, Papa. You have to do something real quick. I'm sure that lady seduced them.
Papa, I am very sure of this. She must have trapped them with that Ogbanje beauty. Hey, Papa, do something, no.
Ogbanje, don't worry. If she is Ogbanje, I am Ogbanwa. Yes, I will tell her that I have more powers than her. And as for that Jonas, hey, Jonas, you are finished. If he dares me, if he dares do this to me, I will kill him. I will tear. In fact, just wait for me.
I trust you, Papa.
This is not good, though.
He wants to insult in the presence of Sange. Why will he insult me like that? Why will he insult me like that?
Look at it. She has stretched the wine. Eh? Even the waist. Look at it. Ego mad now, why? Take.
Where did you buy it?
No, I did not buy it. I did not buy it. I took it from that fool, Adora.
Why?
I took it from her now.
How could you take it from her? How could you do that?
How could you do that? She said she will not want us to continue the love affair. I said, okay, no problem. You will give me the pants back. I have to stop her on the road and collect the pants and bra I bought for her. Is it a bad thing?
And now you brought it for me to wear. Pants that is smelling. Eh?
What do you mean pants is smelling? Why? Yes, now it is said that if you reject a man, you reject whatever that comes from him. That is it. She cannot refuse to date me and she be wearing the pants I bought with my heart and money, walking up and down on the road. No, dancing jungle with men, it cannot happen. Hey! So I have to pull it out from her, and this one is preamble. There are more pants and bra that she has that she'll be pulling out from me one after the other. Let whatever that will happen. Hey! Anywhere I see her, I will remove more. You are laughing. You are laughing. Do you know this is your product of you? Do you know this is your product of you?
Who did this to you,
This pant and bra. If nobody will wear it, if nobody will take it, you will eat it. You will eat it. You will eat the pants.
Leave her alone. Take it back to the
Look at this girl. This girl has come against me because of pant and bra. Adora, get ready to remove more. Every part in your waist will go down. Once I attack you, you will see. This one safe. I even am a woman. Let me look for another girl that will take it. I cannot allow it. You want to wear my pants and be walking up and down with men, with the cars. It will not work. Anywhere I see you, I will remove every pant from your waist. Until you pay me all the money I gave you. It's your question, it's your
Take this document. Take it. It is yours. Even the first day you were born, this land belongs to you. Please, take it.
I think I like you.
Hey, I'm blushing. I am blushing. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you.
Soon I will make you the apple of my eyes.
Apple? My love, even if it's half apple, I will manage it. But just have this document first.
My footwear is dusty.
Okay.
Clean them up.
I should clean them up. I wanted to lick them up. Should I lick it?
Just clean.
So clean. Okay. Right, I know what to do. Anything for my love. Anything for you. Anything to make you happy, I will do it. I will do it, my love. Don't worry. Hey! My love.
Okay, Chuku.
Papa.
Chuku Abiyama. What is it? Oh. Is this what she has turned you into? Hey!
Papa, what are you doing here? How do you exist? How do you form? Where do you come from? Because just go back. Go back.
Okay. Are you talking to me?
Who are you?
Hey!
Who are you, Seth? I will not talk to.
I see. Iyeri, let me warn you. Before your mother was married into this village, I've had numerous girlfriends. Even before she managed to give birth to you, after several years of barrenness, I've had Ugonwa and Okay here. So if you think you have some useless Ogbanje powers that you used to possess my son and my son-in-law, I will tell you that I know the secret of how water enters inside coconut. I will show you that I'm a man who has seen many things. And in fact, I know why the anus of goat is at the back.
Hey.
Okay, do you stand there and watch this stupid old man insult?
I am sorry.
Doing nothing?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I am sorry. Papa, it's a wrap. Please leave here. Biko, leave here now. Eh?
Are you talking to me?
Who are you that I will not talk to? Are you stupid? Who are you that I will not talk to?
Hey!
Who are you? Oh, you're not even ashamed of yourself, Seth. Eh? You're not even ashamed of yourself. When you were young, you were carrying different girls. Eh? Numerous girls. And you're standing before me to tell me that you're cheating on my mother. Aya, now, in fact, Oga, leave here.
Oh, this is...
They go. Oga, they go. Come on,
So you made my son to push me?
You will see the one that passed pushing.
My son! Hey! I'll be back! You shall see!
Let me see.
Nabia!
Oga,
I'll be back!
Oga,
eh?
If you open
okay,
my
drop me
now,
okay, drop me!
Oga,
I will tell you!
If you open my
I will tell you!
Okay.
I will tell you! I will tell you!
If you open
I will tell you, okay? Drop me!
This is just the beginning. You are yet to see the worst.
Nonsense! I'm enjoying my honeymoon. You came to disturb me. What of man are you, sir? Don't come here again. Do not just go from there. Go! Useless fool. My love, sorry. I'm so sorry for this useless man. I don't know how he existed. Please, this stupid creature of love, you want to tell me how to love my own wife? Sorry, let me continue where I stopped.
She's dying. You want her to die?
Mama, I don't understand you. I just explained to you I don't have money. And when I have money, I'll give you. I just want to go and get something for Yeri.
Yeah. What I'm saying is, take us to the hospital now. Keep us there. When you finish whatever thing you're doing, you come there and give them the money and pick us back or help us.
That one will not be possible. You know, you and Yeri, you are not in good terms. So putting all of you inside this car is causing war. You understand? So what I suggest is you use keke or bike while I run along. You understand? So let me just...
Please. I'm dying, no. I'm dying. This is so painful.
No, now.
The pain is too much.
Why do you exaggerate this death like death is one? You just have heart pain. You say you want to die. Who dies like that? You will not die. You understand? You'll be alright. This one is just a minor thing. You understand? This one needs you. You will not die now. Let me just quickly go. I'll come.
Jonas, I came to see you.
See, I'm rushing out to pick. Okay. What is the point talking to me? Because the last time I told you now, there is nothing between us again now. It's over between us. Why are you? Thank God my mom is here. Mama, let me just say this in your presence now. You know we're having something. Now everything is dissolved. We are no longer dating. You understand? She disobeyed me. So I know if you marry person, I know the year word. So everything cancel. You understand? So you have, let me run along.
Mama, you don't have to let him do this. So you need to do something about this. Jonas!
What is going on? What happened?
Mama, I went to Yeri's house to confront her because she insulted my father. Getting there, I saw your son Jonas brushing her hair.
What?
Yes.
Hey!
He was just there like a slave.
My Jonas?
Yes, Mama. I had to rush to him. What I did, what's the meaning of this? He started beating me, Mama. He pushed me, telling me that it's over between us, just like that.
Ha! Mama, look at the way he beat me too. He beat me. Hey!
Mama,
Mama.
something about this. That's why I don't know who we have. One more. I don't know. Hey!
Did I hear you well? That your own son carried you up?
You heard me very well. Look at my mouth.
Did you see water in it?
No, there's not.
Good. So I didn't put water in my mouth when I was telling you. It's not only that he carried me up. Do you know that he carried the documents of that land and gave it to that evil girl?
Hey!
I'm finished.
Are you sure you're okay?
Oh, what kind of question is this? How can I be okay? Look, it's not just me. The same thing happened to your brother's son. Yes. My daughter went there to meet your brother's son, painting her nails. The nails of that evil girl. And when my daughter accosted him, he gave my daughter a thorough beating, and I told my daughter that he's not marrying her again. Imagine, no marriage again. Hi.
Oh. Okay, go.
I'm finished.
Let's go home because this is not, we'll discuss this matter. Just let's go to your house.
Go where?
To your house, of course.
Go home. Under this condition.
Mbano.
He must come here with a very fat goat to remove me from here. Yes. If not, I'm not going anywhere. He must buy goat.
No. This is not time for tradition. This is not the time for tradition because this matter, you should know that your son wasn't in his right frame of mind when he did all those things to you. And let me tell you, if we go home now, definitely we'll sit down as elders and deliberate on this issue, seeing what we can do to it. Please, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
No,
he must come with a goat. He must buy goat.
It's not the place for it. Now, we can do that at home. When we get to your house, he can. If he comes, we'll tell him. Let's go. Just let's go. You know you are not the kind of person to be played with.
It's because of you.
Yes. Let's go. Who gave you the strong man?
He just carried me up.
The whole strong man now has become my main man. Don't worry, let's go. We'll see what we do to that boy. As elders, we'll sit down.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalata. Kasala don't chop a concrete, jabalata. Wapuriti so penti, jabalata. Mami water, jabalata.
Okay, you stay back and wash the plates in the kitchen. I don't want my sister to come out from her room for now. I'm going to town. Jonas will take me.
Listen, I can actually go to town with you. Here is board for me. When I come back, I'll wash the plates, I promise you. Let me just be your bodyguard.
I asked you to stay back, and that is exactly what you will do. Moreover, you don't have the means. Jonas does. And he is my sweetheart.
Hey.
Let's go.
Oyibo, see. Jonas, what is your problem? Have you turned to a village player here? What's your problem now? My love, Jonas is supposed to be my sister's husband. Yes, he came to propose. What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Don't be backward. So you never get the update? No, now I know you don't even have updates. I'm supposed to be your sister's... That's my old news now. I'm not getting married to your sister. This is my love. Don't you understand? Mommy, sorry for that. Let's just go.
You know what? You two can continue this backlash when I get back. You can continue fighting. For now, I need to get to town. Jonas, move.
Jonas! God will punish you, Jonas. She won't die, Abi. You want to die? I will kill you myself personally. No problem. I will kill you myself. Since what you have done in this village is to go around deceiving girls, I will kill you. Where they go? Where they go? You want to deceive my sister, Jonas? Come on, Jonas, Jonas.
Wahala don't get belly, jabalata. Kasala don't chop a concrete, jabalata.
Okay, Ife. So this is I'm going to become a father. Just like that.
Manum, my God. What is it now? Why are you looking like this, Ogini?
Why won't I look like this? Tell me why I won't look like this. Am I still alive? Am I still alive? Look at me, I've suddenly become a father. overnight. Look at how my life is disappearing like a smoke.
No. You are the one that is making it seem like this. Eh? I am here this morning for us to go and wait for Adora, so that we will strip her naked and take her clothes, so that she understands what she is doing to you, that it's serious. That is why I'm here.
Stripping her naked, will it work?
Yes, it will work. Eh? It will work. She will understand that what she is doing to you is not fair. This is the main thing. You have to collect her clothes. Let us prepare and go now.
Strip her naked, it will work.
I know she will be returning back from the street by now. Let's go and go. Okay. Hey, Mama. Mama, what is it?
So it has been you.
Good afternoon. Why did you hit me like this now?
So you are the one misleading my son. You want him to follow you to go to the stream and strip her daughter naked, okay? Yeah? Or you think I didn't hear you?
Mama, that is not what I said, though. This girl in question, she hurt my friend.
Yeah. Shut up! She has hurt your friend. Did she hurt you? Did she hurt you?
Mama, Peter did not do anything. Peter is a good disciple. He's not the problem of this thing. He's not the cause.
He is. He's the one behind all your nonsense doings. He's the one. See, get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Mama, I'm just trying to help my friend now. Eh?
I said you should get out before I pour you hot water now. Are you still here?
Mama, this thing is not good.
Mama,
what is it now?
Can you imagine that? Peter has been the one misleading your husband. Guinea. Telling him to follow him to the stream so that they will strip her daughter naked. Hey. Can you imagine that word?
Mama, Peter is not the problem. Peter has been a good disciple. He's not a problem. And please, remove that statement, my husband. I'm nobody's husband in this house. I am nobody's husband in this house. I'm the husband of myself. By myself. Remove it. I'm not anybody's husband. And as for you. As for you.
If you point at me, I will bite.
As for you.
I will bite that finger.
You see your sister. You see your sister.
He's singing Hey!
I've married the husband. Mama. Who did this to you? Who did this to you?
Hey!
Jonas, Mom, what do we call this? What kind of bad luck is this? Why now? You see why I said don't go back to the city just yet? Yet you went.
Mama, please, don't blame me. Don't blame me. How will I know Amrobas will take that road? Is it not the same road I've been using to go to the city all this time? How will I know? Please don't blame me. Just leave. Let me be, please.
We are saying the same thing. Hi. You've been going to that city all this while. Only when Yeri was involved that all these things happened.
No.
Don't you know that she spells doom?
No, Mama, no.
That girl is evil.
Mama, no. I thought you were trying to sympathize with me. Don't mention Yeri name here. She's not the cause of this problem. Please leave her.
She is the cause of this problem. You've been going and living in that city for so many years now. You did not lose your ATM. You did not lose your money. You did not lose your phone. You did not lose your car. It's only when Yeri was involved that they took your car, that they took your money,
Mama, it's okay.
That they took everything.
It's okay now.
Okay. How about your money in the bank? You know what happens when people steal people's ATM? Your money in the bank will finish. It will finish. Ofi Yeria. Yeria Boromado, she is done. Huh? Oh, give me. Hi.
Hey, leave me.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Leave
of
me.
Of all people is to carry your father up. That's the only thing you know how to do.
Okay,
you see
now.
a fellow man now, you run.
Okay, now, Papa, you're here. Your daughter is handling me.
Just leave him. Leave him.
No, Papa.
Leave him.
I will place a curse on him today.
It will not work.
Idiot.
Papa, it will not work. Instead, your curse will turn into blessings. I am telling you guys the right.
Beat me!
Oh!
It's where Papa is that you have
You want to know me? Papa, Papa, I will destroy somebody. I will destroy somebody. I will destroy somebody's wife.
Touch me! Touch me!
Okay. Hey, so you're even drawing me back.
You're walking away.
Who the hell are you people?
Come on,
I am telling you guys the gospel truth that you guys are holding me back. Okay, let me show you.
Show what?
Let me show you what.
Show what? Show what? Leave my daughter. Leave my daughter. Come on. Okay. Papa. Come on. You guys are biting me. Okay. Wait, see now. No.
Can I just stand up? Can I stand up? I will tell you. Let me stand up. I will tell you, but let me stand up. I will tell you.
Declare that I am your father.
Papa.
Declare now that I am your father.
You are my Oga, but let me stand up. Let me stand up first. Okay.
Girls, you see that eerie of a girl? She's a living demon. I have never seen a girl that is as dangerous as she is. God forbid. Fear. That Obanje girl, she must leave this village. Yes. If she doesn't leave, we will make her leave. Exactly.
My aim is this. Any day I come across with that girl, I'm going to beat her and break her head.
Keep talking. Yes. You, Justina, I'm cool. I have heard everything my love have been saying about you guys. All you do, village local idiots, is to go around and be gossiping about my love. But you see what? I will deal with all of you one after the other today.
Okay, go and hide your face. If you know the amount of shame you are bringing to yourself.
Look at this.
Calm down, me. Why are you stressing yourself? Please, who is this person?
Who is this?
Hey! Justina.
Go home. Go and hide under a wrapper.
Fine. Good. So, Justina, you're not afraid of me, Abi? Okay, Japan. So even if this idiot doesn't know me, you yourself, you don't know who OK Japan is. I will teach you what to do in Japan. Okay.
Please forgive my brother, eh? He loves you.
Ushi, hold it right there. Tell me, is that how to love someone?
What else did he do if not that he had something to do with Akona? Eh? Or you want to tell me you don't have anything to do with any other man in this village apart from my brother? Come on. That is not how to do things. Just forgive him.
May God punish you and that master you're using to talk. Forgive who? See, tell Maduka that I'm putting on new bra and pants. Let him come and take it. Or is it my bucket? Let him come and take it. Is that the kind of man you're telling me to forgive? A man that behaves like a big fool.
I will not take that rubbish from you. I will not take it. You insulting my brother in my presence. I will not take it. What do you think you are? Or is it because I'm begging you to forgive him? Idiot. You can go to hell with your love. Look at this one. I'm begging you. You are doing shakara. Who do you think you are?
Oluchi, what is it?
Can't you talk? She can't talk.
Mama. My children, please, help us. We are leaving this village. My daughter, Iyeli, wants to kill us.
Why?
He has made Oluchi dumb. Because Oluchi wants to expose her.
Hey.
I'm leaving to my father's village. Please, help us. Please, my daughter, tell anyone that is going close to her to stop. Tell them to be careful, because that's how Obanje power has grown. Please, my children, I'm weak.
It's okay. Mama, I'm going to the stream. Oluchi, I will help you. If we get to Iye or Fall River, you will know the stream that leads to the road, right?
Jonas, what do we do about your sister? Yes, I've given them small money so that they can admit her. Even though the doctor said that whatever she's suffering from, they cannot treat her of it. But I have to give them money. Hospital is about deposit or no touching. Huh? What do we do?
I don't understand you. No, you see this house burning now, you're still asking me, is this fire? That's one thing I don't like. What is the problem? I have explained to you, I say I don't have money now. Where do you want me to get money from? Don't you understand? I don't have money.
Jonas. Jonas. Are you the one talking like this? Okay, you want your sister to die? Oh, okay. What do you want us to do about your sister? Huh?
Mama.
Are you the one talking like this?
I don't want my sister to die. What I am saying is, I don't have money. Can't you just understand that?
What did you just do?
Bowing.
Bowing to a woman? He's a woman, oh! Hey! She's not God! It's only God you can bow that for, not this thing.
Mama, you will not understand.
The only reason I am here is to apologize for what happened on our way to town yesterday. That's all.
Nice.
I don't want your apologies. Just leave here now. What do you want from my son?
Mama, stop that!
You want to take his life?
Mama, stop it! Sure, we don't need. Who is we? Take which life? This one I'm living, is it life? Mama, please just don't talk to her like that. What's the meaning of that rubbish? Reduce your voice! Talking to you, you're just shouting on her as if. Hey!
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Mama.
Listen, whatever she's using to manipulate your head and turn your head upside down, that thing must die now in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. What is this?
Jonas, don't let what happened now happen again. Don't.
Mama, go inside. Mama, get out of this place.
kill you.
Papa, you have to calm down, please. Please calm down.
Imagine, who did this to you, for Christ? Who did this to you?
Why should I calm down? Why should I calm down? I am finished, Adibe. Completely finished. Hi.
You're not finished, my friend. I have told you, there is need for us to go now, the earlier the better, to go and find solution to this matter. It's not ordinary according to them. We have to.
Papa, I know that this is not ordinary. It's not ordinary at all. That Yeri used something on them. I have to go and meet Jonas too, so we know what to do about this. They're in big trouble, Papa.
Hey, that's good. Iyeri. Hey, I'm going to show that little devil that I am Ukebu. I will show her why they are calling me Ukebu. I will tell her that I'm an elder who knows the secret of how water entered the side coconut.
Oh, yes. Hey. You see why I said there is need for us to go now? We don't need to waste more time. Let's go and meet that lady, is her name, who knows everything about how we can find solution to this. She knows more than us.
Papa,
so
you
the earlier the better. Let's go and find out the solution.
People should go. The earlier the better, please.
The woman knows everything. Oh. She's perfect. Hi.
Wait for me. Let me go inside first.
Please go and come back. If we get there, that woman.
I just can't wait. Something needs to be done.
Yes, sir.
That woman has dealt with me. Nobody has peace in this house again because of Yeri.
We must go.
What? Could that be why I haven't heard from Obioma for a while?
Yes, so, Mama. I was scared. She is almost dying. Although she could not say a word.
Hey, it's good now. That's their own cup of tea. What's my business?
Hey. It's a very small world.
I'm going out.
Hey, my husband. Going out to what? Please, baby, don't go. Oh, okay, fine. Even if you're going to go out, at least come inside and eat your food. Yeah. I know you don't love me, but I love you. Sorry for keeping this pregnancy. I know you don't like it, but see, one day, you will thank me later for keeping it.
Brother Mo, you know saying I know how to catch you. Just calm down, you're shakara too much.
Baby. Baby Nkem. Baby. Baby Mo. Oh yeah, come on now. Let's go inside. Oh hi, baby. Baby mo. Let's go inside, Let's go inside. Baby mo. That's so nice of you. Baby mo, Mama is calling you. Let's go meet Mama. Come on. Baby mo.
Oh, what did you have a name?
Baby yo. Baby.
But stop crying.
There's no go for.
There's no manyaga. They make a convulsion there, man.
Mama, what happened?
Look, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Look at what my son did to me. Look at
Jesus.
Look at me. He held my neck. In fact, he used me to wipe the dirt of that place. The way he beat me up.
What is happening? What is happening? The same way my brother beat up Papa and I today. Yes, I'm sure that Yeri did something to them.
No doubt about that. But I don't know where God is when all these things are happening to us. My problem now is, how do we get away from it? My daughter is dying in the hospital.
Because I realized it was that same day she slapped Yeri. That her hand started paining her the way it's paining her now.
What?
Yes! The hand is swollen. Doctors have run tests. Nothing was seen.
Hey, Mama, you have to go there.
There is no money. I want to go. There is no money. Jonas lost his phone, his ATM, his car to armed robbers yesterday.
What?
Yes. From one problem to the other.
Hey. God.
All in the name of Iyeri. Do you know what is paying me all this? Mama. Iyeri is tiny earring. Iyeri earring. You put here, you'll be doing guy. If they had named her Iholu, Gabo, choke and die.
Mama, it's okay. Don't worry. I believe everything will be fine. My father and the Shia DB has gone to see Wanyense. Yes, I believe they will do something about it.
I pray.
Let's go. I have some money with me. Jonas gave me some money. So let's make use of it. Lock up their house. Let's go. Hey. What kind of trouble is this? Yeri.
I am happy that I belong to Yeri. Hey, I belong to Yeri. My yellow papa, one name. I am happy that I belong to Yeri. Oh, I belong to Yeri. My yellow papa. I am happy that I belong to Yeri. I belong to Yeri. Oh, my yellow papa. Hey, I am. Hello.
You're doing well.
I'm doing very well, my love. Ha! You see this plate, I can even stain it and rewash it again 10 times over. So don't praise me. I don't like praises.
That's good.
Yes.
They try. I really do. I see the way you wash them. No go pee plate.
Jonas, you take care of the compound. Sweep everywhere. Back and front.
No problem.
You two are nice. Nice young men. Very soon, I'll choose who will spend the night with me.
Yeah, my love. I'm very strong. Oh. What is your problem, sir? You didn't normal. The last time you came to this place, I thought you were joking. But now I've realized that you're very serious. My guy, make I tell you something. You're supposed to marry my sister, oh. Make that one look more for your head. You're supposed to marry my sister. What are you doing with my love? Now we be say 2 of us don't get along. We don't like each other. She don't like me now. You don't hear her say, she say me after on, make her come meet her. It was clear. What are you going to do here? You won't post yourself for my Gary?
Stop that rubbish. Huh? You tell me, say, see, make I tell you, I don't tell you before. This your sister matter where they talk. I don't have anything with your sister. I suppose, but I know marry her. So make it be like that. You understand? Then as for my love, my mommy, we don't have anything. Just what you need to do is just to wash plates, my brother. And you already told you are doing well. Sit down with the wash plate. Yes, now.
She said make a wash plate, and she said make you sweep house. Which one wash pass?
You don't get it, but
which one wash pass?
Me and she the rule.
Ma, tell you, I don't want to see you for here again. Jonas, or what they call? I don't want to see you for here again. Okay. I am doing my duties as a husband in this place. I know what they do. Whether it be boy. I don't want to see you here again.
My brother, wash plate.
The next time I see you here again, I'll take a personal with you. I know like
my brother, wash plate. Concentrate on the under. Wash plate.
Go sweep the house. Go sweep house.
Wash plate. No problem.
Where they go? No, hey, no, come back here. No enter there. My wife has to enter. No try am. No try am.
Person work Chris. Now once did they know? No, you better say you don't dey mad. I say me sit down, make you wash plate. I know why they tell you wash plate. Wash plate.
Oh, I see. Oluchi. Why did she do it? I should have left her in the state of my mother. Does she know the power the death of that woman will give me? Oluchi, I will kill you. Let's see how that woman survives.
Honestly, don't bother again. Rush home. Tell your mother what happened. Write it on a paper so that they will read and come here to carry my corpse. Don't go back there again. She will kill you. She wants to kill me and get more power from marine spirits. That was the promise I made before I had her as a child. Go home.
You people are so lucky to be here. If you had waited, it would have been too late.
Please help us. We know this girl to be an Obanje in our community. I'm so surprised that we do not really know how she has acquired powers to this extent that she's coming now to destroy us. Why is it happening?
She will acquire more powers as soon as her mother dies. Her mother was barren. She had to beg the Marine Kingdom for a child. She was given the most powerful mermaid that ever lives. For her to acquire more power to accomplish her mission on Earth, her mother has to die. That is if she is not already dead as we speak.
What are we going to do now? Because as we speak, we need to save 2 of our sons who are already in captivity.
No one can help to make it work, except a man or a woman whose twin has already died.
What? How?
Get me a boy or a girl whose twin died during or after birth. I will fortify that person to destroy her. She will render you all useless and leave this town. Be fast about it.
Thank you, Wise. But I think we're going to see what we can do now. We'll be coming back very, very soon, please. Just wait for us. Ikegu, I think we should be leaving. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm thinking of somebody in mind.
You like your pushing. I will deal with you.
Okay. Okay, I'm warning you. Respect yourself, oh. I know I'm telling you this. Respect yourself, oh.
That's a fool.
You're a fool. You see today, I will deal with you. After disgracing you here, I will kill you. Then I'll bury you one side. Are you mad?
Something is wrong.
Are you talking to me?
I know what I'm telling you.
Are you Are you talking to me? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Do you want to die?
Okay, you're trying me.
This is a fight for love. Whoever wins this fight will spend the night with me.
No problem.
I have weapons at the backyard. Cutlass, hoes, rakes, whatever you choose. Fight till death.
Okay. I will kill him today. You are dead.
I said it before.
No, you are dead.
I said it before that I will bury you.
No, you are dead now.
So you want to try me?
No, you are dead.
You want to try me, Abi?
You're finished.
You want to fight me, Abi? Okay, my lord.
No, I'll finish you.
No problem.
I said I'll finish you.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
You don't know me.
Are you mad?
Oh, you don't know me.
Oh, I will disgrace you today now.
You don't know me.
Okay now.
Okay.
Watch me kill you now.
Die now.
Watch me kill you now.
You're mad. Are you stupid?
Hey!
I said whoever wins this fight will spend the night with me. So fight!
Okay, wait. My love, should I kill somebody?
Why don't you just die?
Should I kill somebody?
Why don't you just die this day? Let's go.
Alright, come here.
They do not say carry chair.
Come here, let me
they
finish
say
you.
weapons, metal. They do not say wood. Hello?
Drop it down.
My brother, you're a woman. You are a stupid boy. You're a woman. You are a fool. I'll give you checklists now. I'll finish you. I will kill somebody today. Are you stupid? I will finish.
Girls, we will not let this go like that. Here is just a woman like us.
Yes, so if she's an Obanje, we will show her that we have God on our side in this village.
What do we do then? I think we have to gather more girls to fight her.
Exactly. That reminds me. I heard a female urine or a menstrual blood can stop her charm.
Are you serious?
It can destroy it.
Really?
Yes.
Then, which among you girls is on her period?
I am not though. But we have to look for one. I just finished my own yesterday.
Let's go now, it's very important.
Yes, let's go. We don't have to wait.
We just have to. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What is all this?
How come no one is on her period here? This girl cannot kill us, so it's not possible. Ha!
Papa, something has to be done fast, oh. Here.
She's right. Adini, that woman was right too. Oh yes, she was right. Now that Iyeri's mother has left the village, Iyeri will not be able to see how to kill again. Which means her powers cannot increase again.
Okay, that is not what should be bothering us by now.
Yes. What we should be thinking of right now is how we can get a boy or a girl who is a twin. Yes, that can help us defeat that particular lady to save your son and my brother's son.
Adibe.
Yes, you can.
As you were talking, I remembered one person who was a twin.
That's good.
But there's a small problem. Oh. We had issues with him. Oh. Hey.
But who is this person? Can't we beg him?
He's Urewa's son, huh? Maduka. You know he was a twin.
Yes. That's true. But we can go and talk to him because we do not have time. We can beg him. We can. Let's find a solution.
Adora. There is no how on this one. Oh. Just do anything you can do to help us.
Papa.
Anything it will cost you, just do it. Beg Maduka so that he can help us. Oh.
Papa, no.
Look at this guy. How can you say a thing like that? In this situation that we are in, you had better do something fast. Go and beg him.
Papa, is this not what a pastor or a priest can solve? Must I go to Maduka and beg him? Papa, let's look for something else. I cannot.
Pastor, priest. Adibe. She does not understand the gravity of the problem we are facing right now.
She doesn't.
She does not. Adora, didn't you hear that your brother fought your sister and I today?
Hey!
you are here. Okay? And Jonas, they are busy fighting each other. Hey. At Yeli's house. You need to see their faces. Iru papa. Fight about fight. No agu kwe yenye. Blood all over their faces. You should go and separate them. The girl is busy crossing her leg, watching them fighting. Hey! Now Musa. Hey!
You see what I said? You see what I said?
Hey!
You see what I said?
Oh, no.
This is not a matter of discussion. Hey!
Okay! Look at this. Okay! You're down. Stop! What is this?
What is that? You want to die? You want to die? Did you see blood? No, did you see blood?
You little witch!
I'll kill you.
What did you do to my son?
I will kill you today.
If you don't leave this place, I will cut you into pieces. Jonas! Okay? These men are distracting us. Leave here now. Take them away.
Papa, please. Papa! Allah. Get up from here. I need to chop this thing.
What have we done to you to deserve this?
Papa!
Look at my son.
Please, Jonas.
Yeri, what is this now? What have I done? Your late father borrowed money from me and gave me that piece of land. I told your mother said she wasn't aware of the transaction. So what have I done to you? Why are you doing this to me?
Take this man away from here.
Look at my son. Jonas, my son.
Take this man.
Let's go.
Let me
Okay. I'm your father. You are pushing me. Okay, come. You are pushing me.
I see you. You have the mind to I will kill you today.
Stop this thing. Let's go.
Let's go. Go get up from here, idiot. What is wrong with you?
It is a fight for love. You have to keep fighting.
Now, choose.
Whoever wins this fight takes me tonight.
Fine.
So keep fighting.
Now, I need to kill him so that I can enjoy her. Over to you now. Hey, let's just continue with killing ourselves. Choose one. No, let's drop this one now. Okay. Let's just hand to hand. Yeah, let's just try.
Fight, you two.
Let's continue.
Fight.
Come here. I will tell you that my taxing is stronger than John Cena. Are you stupid? Okay. Are you mad?
By punching.
Okay now.
Okay now.
Are you stupid?
You see now.
Okay now.
Okay.
See blood on your face already. See blood on your face already.
Your own is white blood.
See your blood already.
Your own is white blood.
Your blood is showing. Oh! You want to fight me? Hold on.
Hold on.
Fold the trouser. Fold it. Fold the trouser.
Are you stupid?
Fold your trouser.
You can fight like that.
You can fight like that. Give me. Okay now. Wait, what here?
Monica, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Please do this for me and my family. Please.
Look at you. You are not begging me to do it for you and your family. Where is your father? Where is the cutlass? Or can't he run again and pursue me? Let him come and pursue me now.
Don't mind
or
her.
your brother that are coming to fight me. Let them come.
Don't mind her.
You are begging me.
Because he will not help you people. Get out.
Hey, Maduka, please. Whatever you want me to do, I will do it. Please. Just help me.
Or see anything.
Yay.
Anything. Or see anything. My husband. My own husband. Anything. You have to go home. Before you're anything.
I don't need your whatever. Whatever you want to give me, I don't need it. Keep it. Keep your whatever. I don't need it. So now you know that you give me whatever. You see? You want to give me whatever? I don't need it. I have made peace with my family. We have made peace. So we are not living well.
Bam.
Let me face what is facing me.
Bam.
Go home.
Wait. So you can actually, you see your life. You see how life turns around. So you can actually beg my husband to have you, to have you, so to help your family, just to sleep with you to help your family. So you can actually beg him. Hi, Nne, please, in the name of God, go home.
Let her give the home.
There's no time. As I'm speaking to you right now, my brother and Jonas, they're over there at Ire's place. They are killing themselves. They're under a spell. Maduka, please now. Maduka.
Under her spell.
What
What is my business? They don't know how to spell their name. They are calling me. Let them come. Let me teach them. They want me to come and spell their name for them. It's a lie.
I'm inside. I don't have time for this inside you.
Please go. I don't need you. I'm not happy anymore.
Help me beg him now, please. Ada organic. I should beg who? My own husband. Baby. Baby.
Nobody should beg me.
Baby.
Nobody should beg me.
I didn't beg again.
Nobody should beg me.
Ada organic in about
my baby is kicking.
Baby, it's new. It's
kicking. It's you.
It's new.
As who?
Baby.
Assistant Virgin Mary. No, she said it's you.
Concentrate.
Assistant Virgin Mary.
Concentrate.
My baby is kicking and they want me to leave my baby that's kicking to come and spell your people's
name. For what?
I will not spell it.
Baby, Kaiba, hold me.
I'm holding you.
Hold me.
I don't need it.
You boys have done well. You have made me proud. I will let you rest for now, but the fight continues. And remember, whoever wins this fight sleeps with me tonight.
Jonas, just die. In fact, I will kill you. I will finish you.
Why can't you just die? Just die, let me know. What is too hard? Why is it hard for you to die? It's not married date.
She must die. She must die. She must die.
Hold on. We are here for you.
We are here for you.
We are here for you.
We have come to put an end to your evil deeds.
Yes.
Wicked girl.
You have come to put an end to my evil powers. With what? Guns? Bombs? Grenade? What?
Oh, you're still asking questions. Don't worry.
Okay.
We'll see what we'll do.
You will see. Chisom, give it to me.
Yes, that's right.
That's how you win. Let's see how you still have those your powers.
Jonas! Take these girls away from here! They want to kill me! Take them! Kill each and every one of them! Kill them! If you touch me...
Why would you allow them? No, I'll kill you. Are you stupid? Why would you allow them? I'll kill you. Hey! I knew it. I knew it. I knew that wicked boy would not agree to help us. Adibe, can't you see? We are finished. Completely finished. Bata bata.
Won't be finished. The only thing is that this is what I always say. You would have taken it easy on that boy and your daughter.
So what are you trying to say now? You are blaming me. No, you are blaming me. If you were your daughter, will you allow him to rubbish her? There's no way we allow him to rubbish my daughter like that. Adora, you see now? You see what I was telling you? He never loved you.
Papa, don't blame him more. After all, you caused everything. You caused it, yes.
We don't have time. This is not where we should be battering with words. So no time.
Papa, what is it again, Papa?
Ugonwa,
Yes, Papa.
where have you been? See, we are in serious problem here. This Yeri girl, this evil girl has finished us. We are finished. As we are talking now, your brother, okay, and Jonas, they are busy fighting and killing themselves in our place. Oh.
What?
I'm telling you, they are fighting themselves to death.
Hey, God, why? Papa, what about the woman you went to see? What about her? Because as it is now, Gina is dying at the hospital. I'm just here to collect money.
I think it is better we begin to think of how to go and meet that lady now. Why is it? To collect those things which she promised us. Or else we are doomed.
Let's go now.
I'm here.
Hey,
Thank God.
Maduka, thank you. Papa, Maduka is here.
Good.
So, he will help us. Hey!
Thank God.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go now.
Well, let's go,
Thank
Maduka.
you.
Thank you. Thank you, Maduka. God will bless you. Thank you.
Let's just go and see how they are doing before they kill themselves.
Don't count me out. I won't count you out.
Oh my God, I even forget my slippers.
What are you going to do? I'm scared. You sent me. Nothing to work.
Irene did not work. What do we do? This lady is too powerful.
You should stop being negative. Did you hear her scream? It will work.
Are you sure she's not going to come after us?
You should stop being negative.
Justina, I think she screamed because you told her it was urine.
What are we going to do now?
What made you think you could take me out so easily?
Iyeri, or whatever you call yourself, we are not scared of you. Today God will punish you. God will expose you. Holy Ghost! Fire! Holy Ghost! Fire! Holy Ghost! Fire! Holy Ghost! Fire! Holy Ghost! Fire!
I will deal with you!
Hey!
Where is she? Where is she? Come out and kill me now. Where are you?
Lisa, look at what they've done to each other.
Oh my God. Come out, you evil woman. Come out here.
Sister, I think we have to take them out of here. Remember what they said about her? She might come and kill us.
That's true. Carry him. Stop, please.
Take these 2 eggs. Touch them on her forehead. Do not wear anything on your feet. Throw them at her front and her back. She will become weak and powerless. She doesn't deserve to live. She must be caught and burnt alive.
Why is it? Thank you very much. I think, Maduka, we need to start going now. The earlier the better. Maduka.
One more thing. You have to go there fast. For she is about to leave this village. The moment she sees you coming, she will know that her time is over. You must hurry now. Go!
Why would you allow him to do that? Eh? If I was here, my son wouldn't have gone out without them. Okay, I need them. Mama, calm down. Oh?
Mama, it is good that they know that Maduka has some needs too.
Yes, Mama. She's right. It's good as they have come for his help. Eh?
That is nonsense. You children won't understand it. Do you know what they have just reminded me now? Do you know how I lost his second twin brother? Oria? Oria one.
Hey.
Oh, we are
Mama, don't do that. Don't, Mama, please. Don't cry. Oh, Mama, please don't cry. Eh? It's okay. Mama, remember. How can you keep? Mama? Your baby is still kicking. If you cry now, the baby will cry.
Please forgive us. Please, we are sorry. Please, we are sorry.
We
We
will
will
not
not
try
try
it again.
We will not do it again. We will never try it again. Please forgive us.
Please forgive us. We are sorry.
Please. And you thought you could kill me with that urine? Who told you that will make me powerless? How dare you?
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
I show mercy to no one who dares me.
Serima, please forgive us. Please forgive us.
Sorry.
Don't, please.
So easy on me.
I told you don't.
Adora, easy now.
Sister, we need to take them to the hospital. See how they badly injure themselves. Let's take them.
What will we do now? They can't even move. How will we go to the hospital? Okay, you know what? Let me just rush and get a taxi so we'll carry all of it.
It's okay, don't worry. Let me just run and get a bike.
Oh, okay, better.
Brother, sorry.
Hey. See, everywhere now is blaming you. What's all this? This lady is so wicked. Look at what she did to you. You would have just stayed. You would have just stayed on your own. I don't know why you went to caution her over the insult she gave to your mother. Now look at you. You're here almost dying. Your sister too is at the hospital. Hey God, just see us through, please.
Are you mad?
Is the hatred still on?
I think I am done here. Those fools will not forget the injuries they inflicted on each other. If they survive, good. If they don't, so be it. At least I left an unforgettable mark.
Not so fast.
Yes.
We have come here today to end this whole hula baloo here. Yes. Is that clear?
Maduka, you're the only one I haven't seen in this village since I came back. How are you?
How can you see me? Where you have been busy hurting your own people.
I have not been hurting them and they are not my people. They humiliated that woman because she had no child. That is their doom.
I will not let you do this. You cannot escape this. Now.
Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. We can roll together. We can roll together. We can share your twin power.
I cannot rule with you.
Yes.
I am not a changeling. I don't belong to your world.
No! Please.
Evil woman.
Please don't kill me.
You see? You're not begging me. You're begging me. I told you that I am an old man who knows the secret of how water entered inside the coconuts. And here you are begging. Oh! I will show you that I am Ukebu. Show me Nikita. Take her away. Move. She will die.
Everybody matters so. Baby, you see this in life, you see this in life, everybody matters so. won't count me out. I won't count you out, cause we all matter. Yeah.
Mama Jonas, Iyeri has been captured by Maduka.
Hey!
We took her to where she will be killed.
Hey! Hey! Very good. Thank you, Jesus. You see? They will all pay for that.
Yes, so I am going to look for firewood and fuel that we used to burn her to death. Instructed by Nwanyeze.
In fact, if you want to go and look for that firewood, go and look for a tree firewood that will bring Eze and burn her.
She must die today.
Hell! Hell! She deserves hell. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Mama.
I am sorry. I am sorry for telling my son not to marry you. Because man, it's okay, Mama. I am sorry. Oh, I am so sorry. Oh, okay, Mama. Let's go. Oh, let's go.
Mama. Hey! I am so happy.
Yes, it's so.
Please, my elders. Maduka, please, I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Please, I beg you. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. As you can see, I'm tired. I'm human like you now. I don't know what's got into me. Please, just let me go. Let me go. I promise I won't come back again.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, you will not come back. We are ending this whole thing today because by the time we are done with you, you will never come back to this community any longer.
Yes. So, you see, your Gbanje mother will not come and save you. Disappear now. Let her disappear. Let's see. I mean, go and kill her, Jared.
She is as good as death. My people. Yes. We are taking her now to Ichereku forest.
Yes.
There we will gather firewood and fuel. She must be burnt.
Yes.
So that she will not come back to this life.
Yes.
Maduka, please. Please, I'm begging you. Don't do this to me.
I'm not begging. I'm begging you. You must die. Move. You must die on your jaw. Move.
Move. We are ending it here today.
You mean you did this? Mama, I'm telling you, I have to do it. That Iyeri or earring, I don't know what they call her. She is dead now. She has been burnt to ashes. Yes, now. Yesterday, she was burnt to ashes.
That is bad. What is bad? Hey. It is not bad though. It is not bad at all. Let her die. What are you saying? She has caused so many havoc under how many days? If that girl should stay one more year, we will all die.
I'm telling you.
Let her die.
Mom, you did well. Just that I was angry you went to help them. Mama, no problem. At least Ukebu will know that you are so important now. It's very, very important. Yes. Even that's his daughter.
Mama, leave them. Who is the daughter? Megan. Listen, what I did it for Jonas. I did it because of Jonas and the family. Not because of Ukebu and his family. Hey. Or Adora. What am I doing with her? So I'm not even interested again.
Hey!
Let me face my life.
So no more Ada organic. No more Ada organic. No more Adude.
Who is she? Who is she?
My husband is back. Oh.
My husband is back. Oh.
Yes, let me face my life and face what I have. I have already.
Look at me, Black Beauty. Hi, Mama.
It's in them now.
Don't
put me in them.
Kick
it.
Mama, kick.
Kick.
Hi, my husband.
Hi. So she was evil. Eh? That's how I would have just died, just like that. Hi!
My son, What would you have me say? That girl was evil. This is how I would have lost you and your sister.
Hey.
Mama, I thought as much. If not, how will my arm just start paining me like that all of a sudden? Mama, I went through hello. I know. I was here with you, I know.
It's okay. Thank God everything is ended now.
I'm so happy. Babe, please, I want to say sorry and I want to ask for your forgiveness. I'm sorry for everything and I want to thank you for all your efforts. Mama told me everything that you did. God will bless you for me.
Baby, that was the least I could do.
Hey.
You're my husband and my brother was there too. I had no choice other than work hard.
It's true.
Ugom, you have taught me things I didn't know about. And I welcome you 100% with open arm into my home as my daughter-in-law.
Thank you, Mama.
No, Mama.
And I will now be giving you chilled water. Don't want hot water in this house.
Lastly, Mama, I want to ask for your forgiveness. I'm so sorry. Mama, I laid my hands on you. I'm sorry for hitting you. Forgive me, please.
Fast. I forgave you long time ago because I knew you weren't in your right frame of mind. No child that is alright will lift his hand to hit the mother.
Exactly.
And you said you don't want to marry me again.
No. I'll marry you over and over again. Thank you, everybody.
Love you, baby.
I love you too.
At least we're a happy family again.
Yes, so.
Now one.
Don't count me out, I won't count you out, cause we all matter. Yeah. Shabby, you see this in life, oh, you see this in life, oh, everybody matters, yeah. Shabby, you're not a seed, tomorrow get to belay.